Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. So you have a note, you have a notebook and everything ready to go?
Yeah, man, I have my notepad, man.
Alright.
I go 1 year harder now.
You know,
Yeah.
you know, see, you kind of sound like Philip, though. Jesus, right?
That's what you always say.
Yeah, man, you sound exactly like man. Hey, so we're gonna jump right into the thing, you see me? So tell me about trading, man. Tell me how you get introduced to trading and things like that.
So one of my brethren, I see on the school to that trade. And I say, oh, what that, brother? And then tell me, say, oh, Forex and blah, blah, blah. And then they tell me, oh, yeah, introduced me to trading and he sent me on a Q long time course and was and
How
that's
long
what
was this?
at about 2018, I think. Last part of 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. That's somebody you get introduced.
And what have you been doing since then?
Well, I take enough losses and learn from my mistakes, is it? Because I try everything, signals, blah, 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 that never work. And I just say, oh, how foolish is that? So that really give me a drive to learn from more.
Yeah.
Come on.
So after that, no, you don't take no other course or anything.
Me not remember take. Well, we do one a pajama one course, done dating, but
Yeah.
me don't have the knowledge already. Is it?
Yeah.
Don't have them sometimes, so that never really count things.
So what would you say you learn the most from? Like where you get all of your knowledge from, or over time?
I say, Carter. Carter,
Ah,
most of the stuff going for. Yeah. Carter, most of most of the night. Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you bought Carter's course?
me no buying course now. We just follow him on Instagram and learn certain things. That's it.
Yeah.
And I think they have one a free webinar on the on YouTube when he do about 2018. I watch that webinar about 100 times to blow.
You want
Is
to know?
it so?
You want to know what's so funny about that webinar? There? You know, so Carter was a part of Q-Bank's group.
Yeah.
I remember, me there in our Facebook group and they posted videos in and everybody has said, boom, bad, the video bad.
Yeah.
Everybody
Man, that video there.
I say, yo, who this? They see me say, come here, I say, QR card up in our feelings.
Oh.
and keep the man
Yeah.
group. And the man say, no, what's for that? And the man starting one thing. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because the man content, it just speak for itself, you see.
Yeah, man, it speak for yourself. Yeah, man. So that's something they really learn. And then we learn things from chemo and some chemo on YouTube.
Yeah.
So we learn a few things from chemo. Yeah.
Well,
I think
my journey never as different from yours, really and truly.
oh
So
yeah.
I went to the university, I'm gonna get introduced to Forex. True, it was a weird thing. You see me? It's like it was like one networking type sitting. You see me? So I said, but wait, but Forex is a real thing, is it? So why me need the networking part that? So I just dash your networking part and just start focus on Forex itself. You see me? So I go about it self-taught way. I go baby pips and learn as much as I can learn and whatnot. And then we go live and lose money naturally.
Yeah.
lose money, make money, you see it, and then lose money for money, and then we decide say, you know what, me had to sit around, so we decide to buckle down, and take things seriously, you understand? And then I buy Q course along the way, but Q course never really teach me nothing I never know, you understand? It helped me put everything on me did know together in one way, you see?
Yeah.
And then still did that kind of struggle still. I know what my struggles were, did I write them down and work on them one at a time, and then we come across cards, and then cards that just make me situated in a whole different new life.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That I think was the turning point in I'm trading still. And the
Yeah,
hardest
man.
part of my trading journey was the psychological part. Let's be
And that time I had this part. That time I had this part, man, to the brother. Cause no, if I trade them, you take, me take, like, all Euro JPY sell. Me have my journal. Me take, and you just come off and take off and me stop loss. But two people above me stop, and I say, boom, but. Yo, and I tell him, like, much me up. And I say, yo, I say, ratted.
so hold
What
on,
me
when
really do wrong?
did move your stop loss, what happened?
He just take off from my stop loss and cut. You see me? And I drop. Like he just go and take out my stop. And I say, boom, boy,
I see. How much
like market
how
hit
much
me.
how much fit the stop loss in there?
About 25 or so.
And it's still touching? Shit.
Yeah, man. But me analyze the trade and realize when they do wrong.
What happened?
Like when he did broke out of the descending triangle, like he come back up, come retest the last support.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's some measure set me entry. But me did and me go set me entry right at the base side triangle. I told me you want to sleep here, man. Another thing I'm a work ethic. My work ethic not up there. Is it most times like we did it and drop asleep. I still remember computer and drop asleep. I'm not even know when we drop asleep. I make it up. Yeah, man. All USD card yesterday. The seller fight. I yesterday I it. When it broke the 150.
Yesterday, man. Yesterday.
Yeah, man. I know me have them for my chat. I look for them and I say, yo, how me really? Me just need to improve my whole approach to trading and my psychology. Because I take a loss now, man. I say, yo, let's put on competence like that, yeah, man. Until it come, we put on a point, and they call me freeze. And I say, yo, Chad, what's that?
You put on a what?
A point, and they come and me can't move. I look for it. I take out the phone and I say, yo, boy, we're free. And like my account can manage point one, it can more than manage it.
Yeah.
I realize, me read that thing where I think why you right, whatever.
Right.
Yeah, it's like so.
Right.
I like him, I say, you have profitable, I like him, I say, you have profitable traders and you have trader with no consistent. And that's true, is it? Like me not profitable. First time we used to take all when we never had no risk management, we used to take all bills and make all 5 bills in a day and something. When we realize we blow me account them fast. Is it? And I say, no man, me I do something wrong. You know?
Yeah, so you grow them fast, you blow them fast.
Yeah, blow them fast. That's the thing. And I say, yo, channel was start. So make no sense. Until I start using flip. And I say, you know, so my time we think we are going for a big move too much. Because I follow hit them in a Forex house.
Yeah.
Then they get, if a man then get 45 people or 50 people, then good, is it?
Yeah.
And that we did start doing there. But this week, we didn't take that approach. This week, we did a whole and pan trade. And I say, yo, my discipline, I did it in a chart. You get me?
You see, I see him thing happen to me too, you know, though it happened to everybody, you know. You see, some of my trade them, alright, but me tell you, me do that now, see? It's when they come on to like, you see my trade them, most of them are like, at least amount of pips me aim for 90 pips. And most of the target them are 120 pips, 150 pips, or 180 pips. Sometimes 200, you see me?
Yeah.
But, let me tell you, that start the trade with probably like a 1 lot or a 2 lot, see? But by the time you reach 200 pips, it's probably like a 0.10 left on, you know, everything clear after that already. Yeah, man. You see, once my trade reach at least 30 pips, me clear off some might. You reach up like 60 pips, me clear off some might. That's how me clear off. So if I when the trade reach a take profit, it's like a little bit, it's like a 0.10 left body. Like me take all my profit along the way. You see me? So me pay myself along the way.
Yeah.
So nobody feels me out here, wall out my trade them till God knows when. No, brother, I mean, time for that. I'm in the business of making money, you know.
Yeah.
You understand me? So when me pay myself first and then set the trade to risk free or break even and then, you know, continue taking my profit as the trade progress. What me I do, you know, me I secure the bag along the way. You see me?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes,
That's true.
that's so you have to do. So, let me tell you see, alright. And next thing I'm realized, my trading style different than somebody else's. Me aim for 120 pips because me like that. You see me? Me
Yeah,
know
yeah.
in a market what aim for 20 pips and 20 pips alone.
Yeah, me know, cause me watch one a cute thing and him say like first time he target used to be 20 pip. When him just a start. And I say, oh, Cubans I say your king target at 20 pip. What make you run down? Blah 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 like me no sense. Isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't think they may look fun. I mean I say if a big trader then I think I caught us my time and go to say I finish at 30 pip in pay himself.
Of course,
And
then
then
I Carter, me learn this from me now. Carter say, yo, once you reach 30 pips and you pay yourself and you set that the trade to break even, you're not losing, you're practically win already because you pay yourself.
yeah man. Yeah, man. Me the use it out. Me did I look funny and say, yo, if you reach 30 pip, I'm gonna take a fast shots. I mean, we'll move up my stop loss to like 15 pip. If you come back, go and touch my stop loss, at least make close in a sum for my profit.
Yeah,
Me
you
look,
build up your account a little bit.
yeah. That. But I think, yo, the biggest problem that is my psychology, man. My psychology, that's the biggest weakness. I mean, I know, yo,
So,
boy.
have you ever read Trading in the Zone?
Yeah, man, trading in the zone, me have that book there.
You read
What me
one?
did over, Philip? Me don't see the whole light still, and that time I think too. I
Oh,
me say, when me done that,
we did send Philip the book, right?
yeah. And he me said, me know trade, cause Mark Douglas is right. I think you're right, discipline trade as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna read that one there.
Yeah, when me did Philip, me did Philip have the whole of them book there, so me did I read them and some calm trade and the whole of them there, see me. So,
Yeah.
but I come to that, even today, me say after this I done, like through me play music and thing, I just do that thing and come back and say, oh, me I go back test that till about that done. The 8 hours I take, if it done, me I go do it.
Mm.
You see it, other.
And next,
So,
and next good book to read is Paradigm Shift.
paradigm shift. Oh, yeah, me hear about that book there. Me hear
Yeah,
about that book there.
buy it. Me, I wait for it to reach. It's me that read
Paradigm
half
shift.
copy, but me decided to me I go buy the actual copy so me can read it anyway. You see?
Yeah,
So me I wait for it.
paradigm shift.
But let me tell you, man, you can be the greatest when it comes to the charts, right? You can be the greatest analyst when it comes to the charts. But you see, if your
Yeah.
psychology not intact, bro, it trading
And
part now go connect. You see me?
that me realize, man. That me realize, cause even Philip, my memory is more. And I say, my youth, as my children, me take. Man, I say, oh, you see them, like, you see me, cause I don't realize it always see market the same way, you know. You
Yeah,
see me, cause we are up on the road and he say, yo, what you think about this, sir? And you show me, say, I mark out the same time and show, it always see the same way, but, yo, you never every piece of trade, you can't be on me last. And I say, but, what if you do you know, father? Put on all the limit order.
yeah,
I'm there and cause me do still for me strategy. Me see come back market can retest some way pan the bottom or double top.
yeah.
You
Naturally.
see? And not yeah. So that's my strategy. But boy, whether more me did them and I say yo what? Like we just feared. Cause that a week before you know the profitability can increase my account by 20%.
Yeah,
I don't know, my account gamma cover. But 10, but it can it profit and cancel because this week I may take some losses.
yeah.
I must say two trade alone me win. But I was going to lose about 10 to about bad. And I say, yo, that's me, I'm not go back. I think say yo, sometimes a discipline for us ease out time market. That me now.
Oh, wait, if it ease out, what do you mean?
Like if you just if one day I go bad, if you just cut my losses on us. If me lose all three trade for that'll be my strategy, you know. Let me
Alright,
say me lose.
I'll get to that point now. I'll get to that point now. But how,
Yeah.
how you know when it's time to cut your losses and leave?
Yeah. And then 4 more, when they come back, and lose, and then 4 more setting, and I say, yo, they might trade away. No, say you can't take. I treat. Yo, man, tell you, say, more, I play some other book, you know, man. I have my notepad, you know, brother. I found last year, I there in New York with my brother, I have this, you know.
Yeah.
Every, go to a laundry, I carry my notepad, you know. Anywhere I go, I carry my notepad, you know, man. I draw up my thing. And man, nowadays, me even sit down underneath. My time, I just go sit down underneath and shade out of my yard and just. back, like jaw to all I'm pattern. Cause I train my eye them. You see them?
Yes, man, me like how you start your training eyes to see them, man.
Yeah, so.
I
So
see,
they
I
say,
see,
yo,
me want, let me tell you, me buy, me did, see, me did a New York, my brother, you know, in November 2017.
yeah,
Me buy one folder, one binder like a CVS, and me buy like 100 pack of folder leaf. And I put
yeah.
it, you see me, and that time my journal, my notebook, everything in that, you see me.
Yeah, man.
Right now we look
All
at
that me join, you know.
chippy and tear up and everything. Everywhere me go, this go with me now, man.
Yeah, man.
So me know
Everywhere me go.
so yeah,
Yeah,
one
cause me this, yeah.
it sound like you are following the exact footsteps from me are following what we did in you know. The last part of what did make everything click for me or change was the
Yeah.
risk management. You understand me? So that brings me to my question now. What is your risk management strategy?
So my time risk 20, 30 pip. Depends, or 15. That depends. But the what me the learn is me used to put you at 30, you know. I that's my time with the mark. I see my parents my time mark. Even though you might not want the 30 pip, but stick to your risk management, you might never know say yo a 30 pip stop loss, they might actually save you in the end and visit on close
Yeah,
stop loss.
definitely.
Isn't it?
Especially
So
for like
that
DJ, isn't it? And GBP.
yeah. Yeah, that one of my thing. I say yo 30 pick me there, 30 or 20 or so between 30 and 20, yeah.
And then what you that aim for in return?
That I think me say even if you home run trade and you never has to reach. But no, me say my first target at 45 pick. First target at 45 pick.
How
Yeah,
much, how much you say you used to aim for?
Me stay in for all home run trade. Like to
Oh,
next
like
zone to zone.
yeah, like a full
Zone
swing.
to zone. Yeah.
I see,
And
I
you never has to reach.
see.
So
Yeah,
that
yeah. So 45 pips a new target.
yeah, 45 and then that first TP and then just make it more move up my stop.
Mm,
Break even in a profit little bit. Keep going.
okay.
Cause even without you think we say I think how me I say they say if you mark even could not come touch a break even,
Mm.
you know lose. You know no consider that a loss. Even though you could I get the actual move in a full, but if you can't touch a break even no matter that me tell myself say yo if you can't touch a break even at least market you want an opportunity or somewhere else to enter.
But
So
on
that one of my thing.
that match me upon UK, you know. Well, you never match
Yeah,
me up still because Friday when it did go back up to 45 pips or whatever, when it
yeah,
take back the money when we did lose off of the first two trade when we did sell.
yeah.
And then by the time we left and come back, we see it go we come right back down to the entry point. So me I said a good thing. So me did take a profit while me did deny trade, you see me?
Yo, it's see all the boy. Hey, me have a buy more coat, you know. But
Yes.
yo, I see you me the seat a cancer the date, right? When they broke your level.
Yeah.
I say, yo, whenever you buy this, yeah. Cause me dey set me limit and delete it. And that's the next thing. When me tell myself, say, yo, me tap delete me limit. Hey, I have some razor sharp entry on goal. When me did all have. I mean, I tell you, say, yo, I just see weak the enter me night.
Yeah.
I remember we hear a Q Bank say, I think Q Bank say if you lose, man, just ease out yourself couple hour and then return back to the chat.
Man, just give the market some time to give some more information and then
Yeah,
come back, you know?
yeah, that one I think. I'm a journal. I say yo, more if you place a trade, come on. Here move. Cook. I look by the computer. I say all the whole breathing exercise thing with the try. What you might think? I'm really breathing exercise with a job asleep. Is it? Is
Yeah.
it that man say, oh, come on. Yeah, I say we come with a job asleep, man. I say,
I tell
tell
you,
me this.
I say they usually sit around the computer all day, but like that now me realize that no do nothing for my nerves. You see me, it just make me extra nervy, you see. Because when we let
Oh,
me tell you what happened. When we as we say, me trade my eyes to see the opportunity. So but when we sit down on the computer after like hours and hours and I not see none and then we finally see one, then we start to read the question, is
yeah.
this an opportunity or not? And me I doubt myself and then before me know it, me not enter trade and the opportunity gone, you see me? And then my nerves get shot, my brain gets shot, everything is, I'm just go to gym and I just pump some iron and come back and do it the same thing the next day. You understand me? So I say, you know what? I watch the market, you know. I gotta just wait and make the market come to me, you see me? And that's how I end up by the Trading View Pro so I can get the alerts thing, you see me?
Yeah, man. So, I'll that me have. Yeah,
man.
That
limit my chart time by wholly. I not spend more than at least 2-3 hours on the chart at daytime, if so much. Yeah, man. Well, back in the days then when I just build up his skill and thing, I on the chart every day because you know more chart time equal more experience. You understand me? But now I don't feel like me need to be on the chart as much. You understand me? So me just mark up my areas when price come to my areas. Then time I jump on the chart. Me look for one, me look for, and then you know set my limits.
Yeah.
Me can't tell you. The last time I execute one trade manually, you know. Basically, the only time I execute a trade manually is if, let's say, me enter early and I put my stops to break even and price retest my entry point. And I enter again because I say, yo, the entry still good. I'm not go through it, you see me?
Yeah.
That's the only time I manually execute because I realize that when I manually execute trades, right? What happened is it put me into trades that I don't want to be in. So I use the limit order at places where I want to go. If it trigger, you see me? That is where I wanted to enter. But let's say me come in a market now and price dip on a floor and then it push off by a floor and I say bombard, I should have entered on the floor and then me go enter halfway away from the floor. Then I expose myself to 2 times the risk, you see it?
Yeah. I so, man, because my time so M1 can go farm and M1 can them big, you know, man. Or 5 minutes can. I'll tell you, 1 minute, when me enter market execution, 1 minute me trade for the mobile. You see me, I say, yo,
lower time frame will stress you out, you know, man.
It's it, yeah, man, a real thing, man. Because you meet it a switch. Every minute it a switch, and I say, yo.
So lower time frame will stress you out, man.
So me just stick the 5, 10, and the 15. I some time I take lower than the 10, to be honest. The 10 kind of work for me sometimes.
Yeah. Forward the Euro JPY chart and share your screen.
See, funny. Jumping on my journal.
Yo, I'm glad to have a journal soon now. When you start the journal?
Start. A long time I have a journal, no? But when you park it, because I never want to more, you know, I realize a mistake, man.
What then? Yeah, yourself. They love to realize my mistake. You know, my mistake was always trading against the trend, you know, because I don't know what's sitting wrong with me. My brain
with reversal. I see them really tell man, I say, yo, it have to turn back. You have to I really think that's my problem, man. They learn market flow and we say and trade. Yeah, man. I say
I show me say, yo, reversal trade is not it, it's continuation. You have the market is more likely to give you a continuation trade than that trade, isn't it?
Yeah. Let me share my screen now, sir. Share screen. Post. This is. You can have enable if you share my screen. I say host disable sharing screen. Yeah.
What's that?
It say host disable sharing screen.
Why keep doing
that? You have enable.
Try now.
Alright, come up now. Let's see. Wait there.
You have empty profile?
No, so I have it. I try to get in and it, yo, we computer start being funny in my head. So I just see it. I just say, you know what? I see my Mac, man, because I can go through enough things. You know? I meet food off a mobile. Because I play music. Listen. Alright, see me EJ trade, that one. Let's see. You see it?
Yeah, man, I see it.
Yeah, that one. I said,
How many time frame?
I think it's a 10, yeah. 10. I mean, I say, but we realize, so many times in this end triangle, come back and retest the last support we have in a triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my thing.
That look like it happened.
Yeah, I mean, see, I hope I say, because I normally, you know, funny thing, I sit down for about 1 hour and I'm a jaw to hold and pattern them, you know, in my book, you know. I mean, never jaw that one, you know. And I say,
It
boom,
look like
but you want me to jaw?
it look like it too early for the trade, man.
Yeah,
Tell you
it's too
what,
early for it.
you enter before a proper break of the triangle. That happened.
Yeah. Cause basically, me that say this is a proper break, but this is never gonna away.
No, that
I mean,
is
I say this
was
is,
a break, man. That was because if you look, let me see. Let me send you my charts.
yeah,
Well, 10 minutes. I want if you see 10 minutes too. But me
yeah.
know confusing. Alright, hold on. Look what me have my price floor.
Wait, man, I see my share screen. I can't stop sharing my screen.
No man.
Oh,
Me send you a
Telegram.
yeah, me send you a telegram. So you see which part my
Oh,
activate.
yeah. True.
Yeah.
True. I did so. And I think, I'm there, yo, me see it in one thing, me tell you, man, work ethic, man. I think me just need to improve on that. Cause me see it, I'm say, yo, funny, bro. I'm say, I got my bed, yeah, man. You see me? Cause here my thing. Me hustling idea, cause me teach keyboard and them thing in idea.
Yeah.
You get me? So more man tired in the night.
I understand, man.
Tired.
That I
You see
want
me?
like it's because Forex is 24/7. That's why me usually
Yeah.
wait for the London session and then sitting in that. But yo, times when we in I kinda hard, that. It really kinda hard.
That's true.
So me try to capitalize for every opportunity me get because as we say, entries come at any given time, that. It's just
Mm-hmm.
you get the volatility and the volume in session.
Yeah.
You understand?
That's,
Yo, that's
I see me do. So many time I mark out and like we say I come up all this a trader, me that say yo me that sell off, right? But me that wait for you break out that triangle. I mean I say look funny. This is a basically reversal of the EJ trade. Cause it
yeah,
triangle in the opposite direction, but they come back and retest the last support.
yeah.
It is
That's a last price for turn ceiling right there,
yeah. And that me realize. So I mark them out.
That would be a
Mark them
perfect
out.
entry opportunity.
Pray. See, and all that trade I'm really take. Oh, this one here.
That would
You have a EJ. You
easy
see me?
again. Yeah. How much pips that the target that is how much pips?
Me never, something, you know. Remember this one here? Me not even write it down in my journal yet. Let me tell you, say, yo, me did thrust. I don't want the boy off a goal.
Yo, your
I
chart
mean,
just like my chart in the rang.
see,
Oh man.
yo,
You come like me
let
on
me tell you,
on
say,
that chart, them, I swear.
the boy off a goal. And me say, yo, come me try enter over here, so, but me get weak out.
Yeah, goal
Weak
always at the
out,
smoke,
and
dog. I don't know why.
yeah, and then me just sit on by limit and just touch and shoot up. So me I say, I like me don't know if it trade, but I like you know, me just more I'm there in the chat and I say, yo, what me I do? What me I do wrong? Like me just can't put it together. If I'm a psychology problem or something, I don't know me I TV the woman in my I mean I know me tell the woman say, yo, the idea you have to go. You see me? I tell myself, say, yo, me can't.
I see a thing Philip said of Philip said,
I really think, man.
it come just like them creative. Oh, but that's it.
I really think, man, I did it, man.
That kind of mash up what? 1, 2, 3 of my relationship, you see me?
Eh?
The girl them just not understand. It's because I spend most of my time trading and thing.
Yeah.
Them probably might feel neglected. I don't know.
Yeah, that one. I'll got me tell you something. Like, no, what me I do? I swear me I do. all this me go upon, I attend this upon the USD card. Sunday. Funny you broke that floor, yeah. And we could ever drop on look at trend line right so. We did that follow it up. And the trend line I would have ran. When we say yo that floor, yeah, when you broke that floor, I miss alright. First touch.
That floor there, yeah.
Yeah.
I just a Marcus take it first trade, you know. That's when that I should have taken that trade as well, you know. But because I trade against market flow, that's why I never take it.
Yeah, because me have it funny.
That's transition for the 10 minutes, you know.
Yeah.
Transition to bearish market flow. So that would have been because if you line that out now, and do a 1 to 6, 1 to 20, 1 to 4 with a 20 pips that loss.
What's somewhere so? Hey, that still get me above 1 to 4.
Yeah, man.
You see the you that get hit. See the 4.
Right, that.
Yeah.
1 to 4, that bro. That is a nice trade that we should have taken.
Let me tell you, I want to this happen again. 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Better me say me
up them time too.
Yo, that me did you already whip me man. I take 2 pill and just me knock me out. About 4 alarm me set in I'm in 1 in. I'm bridging my shot. Me I say, dog, you need your phone alarm man. And I say, yo, me never hear you know. Man, I say, come and get deaf in your sleep. You see me? This a trader, but the boy I fight, they look funny. I will be the read. And I say the third touch, one of the most powerful touch in the market. You get me? Because I see this come so. I say to a limit. Right there so.
Yeah,
I say, I'm tell you say, yo, me don't know what me do. Like me tell you, I set the limit. I see push and me close it and I say, shit, that job. Because yeah, I'm on a losing streak for a while. And I say, yo, I can't afford to lose my money.
You see, and the mentality people like game in that.
Yeah. But me look at him and say, oh, me are really mad, man. Because when I did miss those 5 bills, me that take man signal. See me, I say, yo.
You lose 5 bills?
We never know risk management that time. Yo, me tell you, say, me that make it back. Me that trade for my own. And make you money. And then me say a man buy my shit signal and blah blah. We jump on it. Blood fire. Yo, me tell you, it's the first trade that me ever make. Take. How me do? Me don't embassy and play keyboard down there and them pay me. And me just shot go over US, over Scotiabank. Same time and go drop in on my account. I'm come home. And me say, me that trade. Me put on a trade and put on 0.01 and 0.1 and 0.2 no man. But I'm a deal with it and win me trade. I'm going to say, yo, I hope me that side now because we have money. I'm going to put on 0.4 and no time I can't drop out and steal me. Yeah. I say, yo, boy, first trade I make, I say, you know what? I say, this profitable, I make a thing out there. Yeah. Then I really continue, man. Then I continue and I say, yo.
Let me tell you.
Just think,
you see,
yeah.
What I realize, you see, Forex coming like the big ocean, right? It coming like the ocean. It come like, as you come in on Forex, you're dropping like ocean, right?
Yeah.
Basically, you get all of the tools them in a big like ocean. So you can either build a boat for sale, or you can use each piece and just survive for a little bit, or you can put all the pieces together and build a boat. You see me?
Yeah.
What me I try to say is the financial market. Forex is like a free for all type thing. You understand me? You have to be able to build up your own system in such a free area or free system, so you can have a sense of direction. You understand me?
Yeah.
Because as you say, you can come in the market, you can fling on lot size, so you can make a money, so you can make a money, so. But then you lose a money, so you go lose more money, so. You understand me? You have to have a whole system what can keep you on a certain path. Isn't it?
Yeah. So that's one thing. And then I would I say, yo, I think somebody say, yo, if you stick to one lot size, cancel out. If you win 5 trade, if you lose 1 trade, 1 to 5, and you stick to one lot size and you find trade, it take you 5, you have to lose 5 more trades to cancel out the profit you make.
Then,
Yeah.
that is risk management.
Yeah, man, that me do man, I want that side, me start stick to nowadays and something.
Exactly, and that me sure one of the last person me have a one-on-one this week with. I think on Wednesday.
Yeah.
One of them did it. He might say, yo, he might ask me what my win ratio. Me I say right now that even matter because
Yeah.
you can win 2 trade out of 6 and still make money. He might say, yo, how that possible? Me I say, all right, I'm gonna show you. You see me? Me I say,
Yeah.
a random distribution of trades, right?
Yeah.
Say you had a 6 trade, right? And you risk 50 pips per trade, right? And you lose 4 trade. Now 80 pips that.
Yeah.
But let's say the last 2 trades them where you take on Friday end up being a winner. And the 2 of them are 120 pips. At 140 pips that right, they say you come out with it.
Yeah, that's true that man.
When you minus 80 where you lose from the 240, 160 pips that you come out with, and if you use the same lot size every single time, then you come out and guess what? You lose more than you win. You see me?
Yeah.
The dog man blown. I mean, I say, oh, simple things is probably just because it is so simple, we never did that pre like that. You understand me? You know what? The traders with 90% win ratio and then sitting there. No, that's not it.
Yeah, true, man. Come follow rocks, down rocks. When I rock, yo, them man, rocks different, you know, man, they go for 45 and cut, you know. At the SLM, man, I'm right.
Say, yo, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, in and out. Yo, that the man, yo, you ever let the man take a buy trade that?
Yo, never. One time I see show buy, I was on YouTube channel where you show buy and blah blah blah. Man, don't buy trade.
Grabbing on me, I say, dog, you know, say me never see you take a buy set up yet. Man say, yo, really and truly, in one program, in me, I visit sales. Man, I say, well, that makes sense.
Yeah, man. And then the counter trend trading thing. Yo, me say, nah, man, my market have to turn back. And I say, yo, that one of my thing, counter trade. Every time I try to trade the reversal, I couldn't trade continuation. I never know about market flow and
man. Then I just say continuation, I just say money them, man. Because I realize, say, yo, when me that start journal, I trade them. All I trade them, I lose. Me realize, say, me that try reverse.
Yeah.
Oh, that's my problem. Up to this day, I still do it sometimes. I have to really go back to the trading plan when I have and look and on the trading plan, they say, yo, are you trading with the trend? And I say, I'm going to look and I say, no. And I say, all right, I'm not take this.
Yeah. Actually, I need, like, me said to myself, I have a draft up a little question thing and I ask myself before I take my trade.
But the question is, you have a trading plan, though? Do you have a trading plan?
Yeah, me have one. That's true. That's true. But like, I still have a little 4 point thing and I say, yo, trend, buy, trend, whatever, and a little, and the conditions are trading. And maybe I'm doing no reason for taking NG analysis how I feel before I take a trade. You say anytime I feel too merry, yo, that anytime I feel too merry, man, I say, no, that trade, I'm going to lose that trade. I know.
Yeah, man.
I really think, man, anytime I feel too merry, I start dream big.
Yeah, man, anytime. Yo, because me know I had USD sell one time, you know, and me put but 3 lot or 4 lot funny, you know, man. All me I think about how much money me I gonna make when they reach it, they probably
Yeah.
say, man.
At that me realize. Anytime I feel too merry, man, and I say, yo, something wrong with that trader. Yeah, but that have to do with like impulse. Man, I'm telling you about if you have impulsive trading, you figure up, you know, man.
Yeah.
You can't be so impulsive when you put on a trade and thing.
That's why I put on trades. That's why I just focus on the limit orders, risk management, and we just make them do all the work for me. You see me?
Yeah, man, but I think sometimes my problem like entries, like sometimes I can't spot the floor of them.
Alright, we are going on that right now. That's when I go on your EJ chart, right? When I go on an EJ chart, your EJ chart. Now we are go we are swap on with it. You can go up on a fresh one. You know if you mess up
Oh,
your current one, you can go up on like the under one or whatever.
oh.
If you don't want to lose
Okay.
your
Nah, man. Me take care of, man.
alright,
That's my time when I see no, you know, I mark you up, me just take everything, you know.
you know
If
I need that this weekend, man.
if
Alright.
you look too crowded, yeah, it's about a
We're
4
gonna
hour.
start from down here, so we're gonna start from about May 5th down there, so.
Me, don't you, sir?
Yeah, man. Right there, so. Right there.
Yeah.
Show me how you that take on trader for that. Or show me how you that market up. What your process
Oh,
approaching the
oh,
market?
for so that be. Uh, look not China, so
Mm.
come on, wait. I look on the line chart.
What make you go on the line chart?
So my time, you know, see detail, man. I think Q Banks is show one like a notch thing. So my time, I like a notch it. Cause we go on it 2 hours, so we that see. Wait there. Cause this is one like a mine I pull back in, so.
Well,
Is it?
you know, so you have the knowledge, you know, man. You have the knowledge, you know.
Is it? So if we that take
All the way you show me what me teach what you know in a session what you know. You have the knowledge already, you know. I know how you
eh.
you know. Yeah.
So if we that take a trade for this, we that say. Wait there. I'm go check here, so. But that way upon the first push, so I go one play. If I see that first push there, we'll like up on a 10 minute or so. And I just drop one limit, right? So
What make you like it 10 minutes?
10 minutes, you know, say, we still have 15, but the 10 minute kind of show me things cleaner. What me do? It's anything when me see the structure clean up on, that more work with.
Yeah,
Isn't it anything when me see it? I must say, yo, 10 minute even work for you. Cause my first time I see it 10 or 15, and I say, yo, no, I say, yo, you know, say 10 minutes. So I time 15, I show you one look at deviation in the market.
yeah.
Isn't it? And this side I get hit right, that's all. And then what me that do? Me see touch right there, so then me that. If me see one look resistance, I draw one line.
Yeah, one road.
Sometime, yeah, I'm not happy. Let's program this chance, say, yo.
But you know, say as soon as you see one thing with them roadblock there, right? Let me tell you one.
Yeah.
They will start confuse you and make you doubt yourself when you come out to a certain trade. So you see,
Oh,
once you see price breakthrough like that,
yeah.
just delete it. Or delete
If
the zone. You can left the floor or whatever, but delete the zone because you want your mind
that
to say it violates
oh,
it really as valid anymore.
like this, right? That's why I delete it.
Yeah.
And then what me do is if me see this a floor up here, so
Yeah, man.
one other, and I dry it up. So I
Exactly.
want other floor in the market. Cause basically, let's see 10. So,
If we explain floors and ceilings, I explain it as dynamic support and resistance because it's always moving with the market. You understand me?
yeah. Cause this that me that take one other trade for this. If I see that first push and come back on retest, and the third one. So I time wait on the third one, and every time the third, but this most work with the second push
Yeah,
or fight.
with the second one feel like from the double bottom. But sometimes
Yeah,
it's because we give you third entry when once we get a push off right, and it gone up, we
yeah.
start to break even, but either come back down and give one third entry opportunity
And
and
third,
keep out
yeah,
early.
yeah,
Understand me?
that I think.
That's why it's
Third push.
not move your stop loss until like a floor like this, a next floor was formed in the market or a next
That's
structure point, isn't it?
why that floor, but I wouldn't take no trade off for this floor right there, so cause wouldn't look for trade. But even why that floor doing here, so why that push? Because that just one box on this if anything. You see me? But reason I won't take it's because if me I say this I lost pusher you couldn't down. Me
Yeah.
have to see violate this pusher. So this would be my last lower high. So this could have say bomb and gyro across. So you see
Okay.
me? And then this my last seed in the market.
Yeah, yeah.
So me that So sometimes you get to pull back, even right. Like me look funny and say, sometimes you get to pull back right there, so or somewhere right there, so. Come time my come back in his zone. So like we don't know, you know. I mean I say TNG and then like but boy we don't know. Is it me take my last day so. We cut man, me say yo, chat me say nah brother. Say yo, me nah do no more free market. Me know say yo you have to lose to win is sometimes.
You have
Me
to
know that
you have to lose win, you have to push through, man, because once you
yeah,
find a valid setup sometime you will just get knocked out because of some little
yeah,
manipulation or early entry.
manipulation.
You have to stick in, you understand me?
Yeah. This time I look funny.
But why you wouldn't take a buy off of the floor right there, so? The one under the blue
I
line.
lose. So which one?
Above.
This or other for why mood
yeah, the one right there, so, man, with the W formation.
double oh wait there. That floor yeah.
Go back on the 10 minute, man.
I think
Alright, go on the line chart now.
yeah.
The W right there, so, man. Alright, when the little zone of consolidation. Alright, go back on the my name there.
Yeah.
Let me search it. I think right there, so. Why make you never take one off of this one?
Is I mean take it because if over here so would I be my last push down here so would look for take no fight. I never basically I know yo mood take it fire so. Honestly mood we just would take it. Is it?
Yeah, that's
Cause
it.
me actually wait for his zone to come down here say no. And basically if you make a trade up as after this as one without at least wait for break next ceiling before me put on a trade. Is it moon one
It
jump?
makes sense because you wouldn't want to be buying into a ceiling. So yeah, me honest.
Yeah. So that trade I wouldn't take. But then if me put that person right, that's me that lose that trade. But then if me know say me now I'm bullish, no point. Yeah. Basically like say that count this as a bullish I transition some right so. Is that bullish?
Funny 2 hour, man, or 1 hour.
Two. One. So yeah, basically that one bullish market flow.
Yeah, man, and the 1 hour transition because you had this break right here and then you have a retest right there. So 1 hour transition
Yeah.
bullish market.
You found thing I say transition.
Yeah.
I say then I say transition. So for me say do bottom well we da wait for some for my break. Something like yes.
So would that be transition from like a 50 meter or what?
Yeah.
Right up beside the 1 hour transition occur, right up beside.
So where you use if you say your market change? You consider the 1 hour or the 4 hour?
4 hour determine the trends, overall
Yeah.
trend and market structure, right?
Yeah.
4 hour to weekly, that's a higher time frame. And lower time frame now would have determined market flow and momentum.
Oh.
You understand? But me still sometimes 4 hours you know see me not see structure really clear from 4 hour. So
Yeah.
we would have considered 2 hour for be a higher time frame, you see me?
Yeah. Oh.
So
I
lower
just can we have one question? We have one question to accept you know. If it's
yeah,
okay. Come out of this. I think a GJ. A GJ. Yeah, like me did. You see this me that say. I'm clean up for them. All right. So me that said this I did like this I want right so. Me that consider either that there to be floor or this have to be floor. This that one yeah. But that's this one yeah floor. Right? But me go on the line chart. This is something different. Cause me say like not China it.
yeah.
So that me
That's what you call a supply and demand base, you know. But I always teach
oh
about that one because you have orders sitting there all the time, pending orders always there in the same.
oh
Yeah, man,
oh
pending orders.
seen.
You know, in a one new something what me study right now, the week off theory. Essentially, them call this a one inefficient zone. You understand me?
Oh, which
So
one of them? That one, yeah?
the
The top
same
one?
yeah man, the same notch thing, man. So they
Oh,
them say yo because price was inefficiently filled in that region, price
yeah.
try to come back for get everything why it never did get from that the point the previously.
Okay.
So me always
So,
look for notches, man. Upon every single time frame, every single time frame, cause them thing that very powerful in our market. You understand?
you can notch them at two, man. Because he come up over here, so.
But yeah, as I
Basically, like on head and shoulder. In
yeah,
a way.
man. I tell you, everybody's supposed to catch a piece of GJ this a week, yeah, because me see GJ from different perspectives. Me see it from M's and W, me see it from the pattern as in, head and shoulder, me see it from floors and ceiling, me see it from every type of perspective. So
Yeah, yeah.
everybody's supposed to get a piece of GJ this week.
Man, I
But
mean,
back
that
to
TV
your
get done.
question, you asked about which one of them are on the floor, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Well, first of all, this was a floor. It two of them a floor.
They told them after, yeah.
Two of them a floor. But the first floor was broken and it was retested and respected as a ceiling. You see me?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's now if you have price transition from the 4 hour to bearish market flow. Even though it did already transition from lower time frame from up here, so yes,
Yeah, yeah.
the 4 hour transition occurred. You see?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man.
That one
So,
I might be the one that if come me the one that if yes so. Cause it puzzle me and I say, yo, this I would this I wouldn't be one sideways movement. Is it me come down there for like a sideways? This I would more like to be one sideways movement in a market.
yeah.
Right on. Yes, sir. That more
Yeah,
so
that one definitely sideways movement. This was like
sideways
a
movement.
momentary indecision. You understand me?
Okay. Zin.
So
So,
it's because I say this is interaction and some say this is interaction and then price come up here so and give
yeah.
one M formation like that.
Yeah.
That's why I mean expect for years to get broken.
Yeah.
And
Job through this, you know?
it dropped too, man. It dropped too. But me I
Job.
expect a retest of here so before price continue going down to
Yeah,
probably
hold
yes.
on.
You
Yeah,
see?
yeah. See
But
what you say.
me not think I eat this still. Me not think I eat that. So next week, me feel set. We might get a retest where we are look for up here
Yes,
so government. So me
okay.
have an alert.
Oh.
I have say, so anytime price come up here, say, look for me and take a shot for me. So come down here, say,
Yeah. I mean, I think we just delete all person you have alert there, sir. One of them. We have one alert. We need to alert them one.
yes, man.
But you say they go up on a 2 hour. Ah, okay. So that be like I'm sure it's go up on a 15 minutes. That's it. I mean, catch a boy there for when it go up, you know.
You see,
Yeah, me
yo,
highlight it.
I just say, me say to one sell limit, just say, and it never get triggered.
Wait.
Below.
Mark it back there, let me see. Sorry, boy.
That's all right, man. It's all right. Right eye flow, yeah, so we did set one sell limit for one break and retest, but it never activate. I don't know why.
Me set it in, because me see when they set in, me set my one a long time, you know, man. I just never come back. Never
Never come
activate.
up.
I think I never activate. Because I did I'm a pre it and I say, yo. Because, alright. I silver buy for silver.
Yo,
Yo.
we need to go check out Silver though. We really need
Hey.
to check out Silver.
Me have him mark out, you know, me have Philip have a buy upon it, man, I say. I mean tell him about silver, because I see trade silver, we just start trading, but
Our
yo,
I go. I want to go. Why symbol?
XAG.
XA.
XAG USD.
Okay,
Yeah. I don't say, no, how should I buy them? I don't want to. They push up and come back down. And me set me buy. Bomb and come down and me set and buy, so. Man a break ya. And you buy that trigger, you know? Me Philip say, yo, Philip show me, I say, yo, brother. You see why I entered? And I said, nah. It's like you bank because you bank them close out I broke and them close out everybody entry on it.
yeah.
I say, yo, I first never see that in a first never see First, maybe I see. Cause me the fool on goals sometimes and what.
But
Like me just
love
somebody
gold,
like goal,
we have
yeah,
a
man.
special relationship with gold. I don't know.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Gold.
I'll this time I mark out on GVP CHF.
You don't trade them the
Yo, me say.
me always see Philip trade them the period. We can't.
Yo, me mark out it. See, can me draw me thing sometimes. Me draw it out and see there, boy, me push. This a kind of funny. It moves similar to I think the NZD USD moves similar to sometimes. You see me, I'm with it. Me wanna push ya. Me not even did. Me tell you, Friday me just cut. And me say me not trade for no Friday, man. Cause
Yeah, man, they don't make that mistake, them, man. Nice same thing with the GBP USD. Looking at group.
eh, GP USD. Yeah, more Fridays. So this one, eh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
But me never enter it because a Friday, you know, so you know, enter trade for Friday, isn't me?
Yeah, I think you didn't touch it on Friday, man. That's true. That I think we did take one quick seller fight, you know. Cause we did take one quick seller fight. I never know when I hold too long. How is it? Not even journaling. I tell you how me feel down and out my head. I not even say, oh, freak this here, man, and cut.
Yo,
I
so
said
let
it.
me tell you this. Let me tell you this. You see, as in you said earlier, say you have FOMO, right? But
Yeah.
I mean, everything we are go through, you know, and when me tell you, when we did the one, right? I mean, I trade all day, every day, you know, when we realize, you know, when we did on a, me I look for a set up on a pair, right? And come and me just a force to trade them and me just a take beer else along.
Yeah. Force
And
it trade. That's my thing. Force it trade.
as the moment me say, you know what, fuck this. Me done trading things.
Yeah.
And me go to gym and me go out the road and go drink with my friend and come back in or whatever. And then me come back in the chat and me say exactly what me did that wait for the whole week happen. The moment me left
All
it,
right. Yeah, man.
like
I
cut
so
some
me tell you someone.
body there.
Yo, I look on this. Look, this in a bearish market for what me say. That but me see this broke. I me see the same thing. Almost the same thing on GJ. Bam. If I'm on look a floor right there, so if I'm that floor, I say alright. Funny bounce as a two time. Some most of that so. I
Yeah.
take ya. My virgin shot me and I say, yo, Percy, you deal with the market. I said that right now, you know my yacht.
How much pips?
We just cut for them.
70 pips?
It's about 50 at I mean, I think you see that 6 because
Yeah,
it's 60.
50 pips. A good 1 to 4 that at 15 pips in that.
Yeah, 15. Yeah.
No.
I'm say come back up. I'm say fine. So that is 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Me asleep. I say but
Alright, watching now, go on the line chart. Go on the line chart right now.
yeah.
I just the floor there to it last the top M formation right there. So.
This sir?
Yeah. Alright, go back on it one in now.
Ah, bomba, yo.
That's a sniper entry, right?
Is that right? There's some a 2-1.
Alright.
A 2-1. But we made that do still.
If you that's a
Yeah.
right trade still enough.
Eh?
Yeah, man, you could
There's
have
me jay off, man.
up for that.
Let me see.
A cool 100 pips. I mean, man, 50. Yeah.
Oh,
What?
the line chart thing. One thing I'm try if I do. So my time is like me see the chart, see if I can get them, and I push up, like which by start, come back down, which by close, the week go up. And I say, alright then.
Yeah.
Like
The
we
chart,
can do it. See?
the chart,
Yeah.
the line chart show you the pivot points.
Pivot point. Can me see me have a look at pivot point thing.
Yeah, me use that too sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
Remember, floors and ceilings are areas of price sensitivity where you expect the market to break or bounce, right?
Oh, yeah.
So going on the line chart now shows you exactly where the floors and ceilings are.
Okay.
So as
Yeah,
much
I true
as
that.
of the secret, them funny wash where is part the floor and the
Yeah.
ceilings them there.
Right out this side. Information and double top. And double letter B, double bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you have
Log on.
two different formations of M, you know. Let me see if I
Oh.
can try. So you have this, you have that.
Yeah, man, try to see it. Me not see it, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it come out now.
Yeah, go on again. Let me see.
And so you have that, you know. That's a perfect M, you know. Right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So you have a double tap right as so. But then you have this a variation of M formation too. Still a M
Yeah.
formation, you know.
Okay.
Oh shit. Fuck. Alright, that one there. You have that one now. But the second leg shorter than the first leg. It's still a M formation, you know. But
Yeah.
this a one shorter than this a one.
Shorter than it.
But it's still a M
Oh.
formation. And
I see.
I see same thing for the double bottom too. You have that, or you can have something like that. Then you can have something like that. Right?
Oh. And sometimes look for them. Others the weak. Don't have the base side. The weak sometimes we can't touch off the base side. Oh.
But so with the one
Oh.
down, sometimes you can just draw one trend line, so you know, and you can get the third edge opportunity, right? That's all.
That's all. Okay.
Mm.
Yeah. I see.
So
That
you
makes
just
sense.
have to find a variation them sometimes. But for a trade like this, all you have to do, make sure you say stop the upper so.
That's all.
For trade tool, that's gonna do 1 to 6, risking 20 pips.
Yeah.
That would be a trade that I take right so. Oh, perfect, Rati, perfect.
Indeed. Perfect. 1 to 6.
That is a your average trader trade right there.
Yeah, man. But if you look on it still, you know, so me that enter it already. Alright, me that enter it both on yesterday, yeah. Cause if I see push, the first rejection, and this would be like one minor level of support, something right or so. The
Yeah.
John line, I mean that's when I see first interaction, it's alright, rejection there, because I'm sure if you go on the 5 meter, so that's the one some form of transition on the 5 minute, off a minor level, right or so. So I look minor support. So I set my limit there. Oh, I tell you, say, brother, me feel like I need to sort out some schedule or something for better my work ethics. That really accuse me. And if you look for this, I say you want to look at transition, go to some so.
Truly,
Per,
truly.
perfect with the support.
Open the line chat, Mrs.
Yeah. Ah, clean man, clean, yo.
Wow. Holy
Is
shit.
it? Yeah, man. They may trade them with a C, but yo, me not even know.
What time that they have?
What
Yeah.
is 6:35 in the morning?
That's not bad. You're supposed to up.
Yeah. Look, man. Yeah, man. So me say me have knowledge and me can see them. That all that Jordan book, you know, man. And look funny. This almost be like I look it can retest the last minor level of support tonight and then the drop. I
Alright.
say, yo.
But what alright, this brings me to where I want to get to when it comes on to risk management and psychology. Understand me?
Yeah.
Alright, so you see an opportunity like this and you line it out, right?
Yeah.
What you do? Once you line it out, what you do?
I set on limits some of your stuff.
Yeah, I said one limit, and then how you that calculate the lot size?
Me see if you tell me about the FX thing, FX calculator, blah blah. You know, yeah.
My position.
Yeah, FX book. Yeah. On that day. When me say, them I say me know. I say, yo, but brother, I mean not know. Like there's a mental space. My thing like it gone.
But
The time we don't just start playing some PUBG. Yeah.
let me tell you why secret.
Yeah.
But in calculating your risk and accepting your risk
Yeah.
is you see once you accept the risk And all right, let's say for a trade like that, the GBP USD trade, right?
Yeah.
Your account there $500. How much you willing to wake up and see missing from your account?
If me say $480, I mean, no problem with that.
All right, so you're willing to lose $20,
20.
right? $20 at
Yeah.
20 pips.
Yeah.
So you'd go on
And,
the position size calculator now, see?
and Japan, wait again.
In whatever. How much pips we are risk? 20 pips. Oh, we switch to money and we go to $20. And we have a 20 pip stop loss and a GU. So we know it's about 0.10 we are going to use this.
Yes, so switch to money.
Yeah, switch to money. Right? So yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to use a 0.10 lot. See?
Yeah, okay. I true. At that time, what's 110?
So you can use the 0.10 lot or you can use 2.005.
Yeah, that me do, man. I mean, that's it. The first one of them are 45 first, and then the other one would that be the next.
Full, exactly.
Yeah, full. Yeah.
So you and I both know that we are risking $20 in this trade, right? Because you actually wake up and see $480 in your account.
Yeah.
If you wake up and see 480, you know, say yo, you did already expect, say yo, there's a possibility that you could have lost $20. Right? So if you want to know exactly how much you risk and once you accept, say yo, you can lose it, then that's supposed to take out a lot of emotion in your trading.
Yeah.
I mean, because if you just come for the chart now, you just fling up your 15, 0.15 or 0.20, whatever, and you look on the take profit. You know what I mean? And then you trade go in a drawdown minus 15, and you say, you know, say, me don't want to lose the $15, and you close out the trade, right? But then go in your original direction. Anyways, when you know with this now, if you did already plan out in your head, say, oh, a $20 lose.
Yeah.
And you see it go up to $17.30. You already say you're at $20 you're willing to lose. Why you gonna say, yo, you know what, better me lose $17 than $20, you see me?
Yeah.
No, say that your mind wants to say it, and that your mind I tell you, you know.
A two man.
Sometimes because guess what, you already accept you can lose $20. You never did go accept you can lose something where you're not willing to lose, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, if you're in a drawdown at minus $200, and you never did plan for that, then fuck yes, please to close the trade. You lose it like shit. You never did plan for it, you see me?
Yeah.
But if you already tell your brain, say, yo, at $20 I'm willing to, me watch enough time, I sit down and watch trade, just go and go touch my stuff last, you know. Pussy them, you understand me?
Yeah, man, I tell you, says, yo, bomb by market, hit me on it. But then, I mean, yeah, Mark Douglas say, I think, you know, he say, like, oh, you know, if you know a market, if you do for make money. But the year in a book.
Yeah, you know have to know nothing. It's all a numbers game, really and truly, you know.
Yeah. I print out here and put it right over me, man. See me? Because some of the time they I say, yo, if me read the book, me supposed to leave the book, you see me? Supposed to know, say, yo,
yeah, man, so me have some sticky note on my computer screen, them just space up all over the place. You see, all right, let me tell you what, it's like if me dip on a 3 trade win losing streak or a 4 trade losing streak, I'm afraid to put on next 4 in next trade or in next 2 trade. One note for me they say, yo, trading is a random distribution of wins and losses. You understand me? And the next sticky note beside that say, yo, trading 101, determine your risk. It either works or it doesn't work. Move on to the next trade, isn't it? And them little mental reminders and cues me have for me just to remind me of them things when we start to do. You understand me?
Yeah.
Because at the end of the game, you know, trading is really a mind game, you know.
Yeah, man.
You ever really wonder why you not have no what if a female traders?
A true man.
Me not mean for sound sexy or anything, you know. But really, naturally, women are emotional beings, you understand me?
Yeah.
Them don't make for them a life. Yeah. Any woman who is successful at trading, me don't want to date them because them not gonna love me.
A true man. A true, me tell you, when you start trading and thing, your mind different, mind, like certain things that way piss you off, you know, think like you give a shit about it. You see me? That's one thing I say, yo, like, I know, no, me tell you, Mr. Virgin, if I come to me in foolishness, yo, man, depend that. Because I say to myself, so I have to secure my mind and my psychology to make more money and make me living.
Yeah.
That me constantly tell myself.
It's
But
really
then,
a mind game, man, trust me. But that's why I say, you see, psychology and risk management, it goes
yeah,
hand in hand.
okay. Yeah, I really think, man, that's true.
Basically, what Mark Douglas is saying is a numbers game, you know. You cannot
Yeah,
predict the market, you know. The only thing where you have control in the market is how much money you're willing to lose.
who is? Oh, yeah, man. Fuck that, man. Fuck that.
So once you get that the mentality there in, you know, is same thing over and over. And I see because what me I teach, you know, is something where you can apply no matter what, you know, 'cause you can have a $10 account and you can
Yeah,
apply all of the strategies to that. You can have a $100,000 account and apply the same strategy to that. You understand?
yeah.
So we just are trying to build a firm foundation
Yeah,
where you can
foundation.
build off. You understand me?
Yeah, man. Cause we went to the say so many times I see some trade. I look funny. Me that day I saw mark off all I that floor right there. So me say your market push through that floor and that take kind of. And me see them, but
And you know,
me not even know what to do. Me not even take it.
all right, watch it now. Mark out the floor. Mark out the floor.
Alright, now mark out on floor right there. So and
Yeah.
me that say it push. When they come back and retest and they push left it,
Yeah.
say right, this a floor have some power in it or something from my other there. So I that
Set,
me.
set a sell limit right there. So one to four, risking 15 pips.
15. So 60. Yeah. And I've been wanting to enter that too.
That I
Is
want
it?
that I want sell limit right there, so you know. So you see,
Uh,
if you set a sell limit right there, so they determine the
yeah.
risk and you just left it. You willing to lose what $10 on that, right? Forget $40.
Yeah, that $40. Yeah.
You set it, you calculate the risk, you set the limit, and you go on about your business.
I
Once
got my
this a
business.
break you right or so, and whatever you see formation right or so, and you
Yeah.
identify it, you set the limit, you go on about your business. You know have to watch the chart, you know have to wait for nothing. You just go on because guess what? Your system,
Yeah.
you make trading systematic because you have the knowledge for know where to enter exit, right? You do that.
Yeah.
You calculate
Yeah.
how much money you're willing to lose. You do that. You
Yes.
set a limit. You do that. So you just make a limit, do all that work, and go on about your business. If you
Okay.
on that now, what you gotta tell yourself is, yo, I don't like how this candle come in and say with so much momentum, you know, right?
Yeah.
And then you say, yo, John, it's a buy, it's a go break his zone. See, then you see this candle come back down, and you say, boom, I should have enter up your so.
Yeah.
Then you enter one big lot size right so now you probably set a stop loss somewhere up here so. And you come back and touch the stop loss. You know,
Touch your stop loss and job.
yeah, you see me I say.
That's true, man.
When you set
Enough.
it right so you make a limit, do all that work, the only thing
Rather hurt.
go live your life or go play a keyboard or whatever you do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. True, man.
You want to make trading as systematic and mechanical as possible. Because at the end of the day, you know, the aim
Yeah.
to come on the chart for your hour, analyze it, set your things and go on with your business. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That is the goal, really and truly.
Alright. What more? Well, we can spot the floor them or something still. So we consider a floor. We say you consider. As long as you one or two interaction with you consider it a floor.
Anytime you see the first interaction, like
Yeah.
right so, why you think price did that? Obviously, there is something there that the price do this initial reversal. It's an area of price sensitivity. So I would automatically mark this up already as an area of price sensitivity.
Okay.
The first touch is the most important one.
Yeah.
But like,
Alright.
but you know, and it's this is the perfect example, you know. But let's say you have something like this, right? You have price come now, yeah, so touch the floor, right? So see, it dries so, and you have
Yeah.
price come so, and then you do something like that, or something like that. See, you know, say you have to go move this floor down, yeah, so now because you know price kind of violate this, and
Oh,
you don't really respect it, yeah, so, yeah, so, yeah, so. So this floor now is invalid. You know what I mean?
but oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Then you see
When,
it,
once you see push through the floor, I
yeah.
know fine touch. Okay.
Once you see it push through it with no form of remorse, like say oh, it not
You know,
dead, like it not exist,
yeah.
then you know say invalid now, cause it not hold no orders no more.
Oh, alright. That one thing. We made that one. That. So, alright. That makes sense to me now. I them look at thing them miss my time with that one. I hesitate, but like which part of the market make for and blah blah blah. I realize, oh god,
Yep.
you know, God, I don't know. But also my time just need 10 minutes work. But me and I'm patience. Yo, patience is one of my thing. Yeah, yeah, me have a patience, yes, sometime, but as me say, I think I just my psychology and I think sometimes it time with my attitude that me have the market and something. You see me? I think
Yep.
that one of my big issue them.
It just
Psychology.
remember me tell you say oh, me have a folder, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Me write down me did have a few pages in it, right? When me have some red ink.
Yeah,
Me just wake up one day and me I say, you know what? Me did I read Principles by Ray Dalio, right?
yeah,
And Ray Dalio basically say, yo, him see everything as a machine, you see me? Everything in a film life, him look at it as a machine
machine.
with moving parts, you see me?
Yeah,
If the machine break down, you go find what part of the machine break down and you go fix it.
yeah,
I'm saying, you know, say trading is like that goddamn machine. And one part of my machine not work, so I need to go fix it.
yeah, yeah.
So me get a reading pen and me start write down all the problems when me have in my market. Any little problems I realize me have. Me enter trade too late, enter too early, stop staking at break even, you know, all of them little things, right?
Okay. Yeah, man.
Even the smallest of things me write down. And guess what?
Yeah,
Me work towards a solution to each and every one of them. And anytime I find a solution, me write it down and tick it off and say, oh, that the problem is solved. I may have the solution for that the problem is, you see me? So if it
yeah.
reoccur, me know exactly what to do next time, right?
Oh, yeah, man.
So when me decide to go find the part of the system when I work now, the time I had a full-time trader. One
Yeah,
of the biggest problems I want to couldn't solve was my patience.
yeah,
Because I was a full-time trader, that was the only thing I could do was sit around the computer. You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah, yeah.
If me not sit down on the computer, me I play FIFA, which then again, you know, get my emotions to when me I play FIFA and me not win because the game was full. You see me?
Yeah, man. I really think, man. Cause some of the time I there and I say, yo, I play PUBG, me betting them, and I lose. Cause me put aside more. And I say, yo, brother, certain hours when me supposed to trade, and then we go play PUBG and lose and get all vexed. I
I
just skip the teeth. I know, you know, is it?
yeah, exactly. So it's like you under so much mental stress.
Yeah,
So
really, really.
my solution was I started the year as a trader, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Like me don't know. I didn't know what I was doing, but me just want something else to occupy my time, right? Me said me did have to start one course, and me start the group, you know, but me never did want to be that the type of somebody there. You know what I mean? Somebody who come up trade, you know, start one course or a signal group. I didn't want to follow that trend, isn't it?
yeah, yeah.
Just to distract myself. So me end up go work at one investment firm.
Oh,
So that the time you know when me away from the charts is not
yeah.
is not something what me do because me want to do it. It's something me have to do because I work. You see me?
I work. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that the distraction there help me with my patience. You see what I say?
True, true.
That was the solution for one of the biggest problems that we have. That's why I say, yo, right now, that's what made my trading into what it is now, where become and most of my trading is executed via limits or whatever because
Yeah.
my plan to trade them and trade the plan, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
And then less time around the charts allow for less emotional involvement
Sure.
in my trading. Is it?
Oh. So,
So
right, ito na my MacBook all iba siya fry na man. Kada ito iba ito na naman na lock off na brother. Is it time I say to myself. Brother, it's my time when the breeze back and go do something. Cause me used to work out and thing. I'm find say, you know, it kind of get my brain, you know, a different mind.
yes,
Like me
man,
work out and feel
feel good.
nice and thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
you release some endorphins in the gym and you come back when you come to the yard, you feel like you can take on the world.
Yeah. And it's down and be patient and so. So that I just home. I say to myself, I need something to just occupy my time, occupy my mind. But like when me not trade and sometimes go on internet and you know read or me just watch some little book or you
Yeah.
know some things to just get my
Yeah, just
mind
something to take your mind off.
space.
Like, yo, enough time sit down on YouTube and watch people and play Call of Duty Warzone, you know. Me don't know why. Me
Yeah,
find comfort in watching that.
yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man, I really think, man. And then when so it just set your alert and wait, you man. When you get the alert, it just wait, just go to your chat and just wait
Yes.
for it.
Like look
Ah,
for transition or look
yeah,
for any form of rejection or whatever. And then make your
yeah.
entry. I mean, determine a risk, make your entry and go on back, go do what you do. You understand me?
Oh. Yeah, man, guy, come on, tell if you feel like you watch, you can go one by one in my yes. You figure up, you know, man. Just me, no, brother.
First, of
I,
course.
I feel like I that to me, you know. Much you can get them too much.
Yeah, man, I believe
Too
so.
much. What you can get them too much, man.
Because what me I see from you have the skills, you have the knowledge, you have the basic understanding of market flow, everything you need. And you
Yeah,
all have a risk management plan now. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So really and truly, I just feel like what you need to do is you have a trading plan,
Yeah, man, I want trading plan, man.
we're gonna revise the trading plan and then we want
Yeah,
to make your trading as systematic as possible. So you come to the charts, you look for, you set a limit them or whatever, and you go on about
yeah,
your business. You
yeah,
understand? You want
yeah,
it to be so systematic that you know exactly what to do every single time.
yeah. Alright, that's means. I say I'm a journal, I'm write out everything. Analysis and anything. But boy, I'm find say, and then if only thing about it, you know, is if we lose, you like today, me just screenshot the trade them and put them down. I'm gonna say, I mean, now come back on journal. But my feet so down and out. Let's go see I'm in a journal.
That's true, man. We get that feeling
Uh,
too.
so, your journal daily or weekly or what? In terms of your
I
whole.
you know what me I experiment with now. Me have 2 years of my journal, right? My journal
Yeah.
um using OneNote, Microsoft OneNote.
Oh,
So I try to take at least 6 trades, the most every week, right? So what me do is me screenshot the before and me save it to my personal chat on Telegram, like the save messages on Telegram.
yeah.
And then when you trade end or whatever, if it end in a loss or end in a win, me send the screenshot as a reply to that the message there. And then Friday,
Oh,
all I trade them when we take in a week from that the chat there, me just put all
yeah.
of them in a journal.
Oh. So you screenshot before, you know, wait till the trade done.
The screenshot before
Yeah.
and then the screenshot after.
After.
Yeah, so the screenshot when I have after me reply to the before screenshot. So me
Oh.
know which trade me did I talk about. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And then me just put all of them in a journal Friday evening.
Oh, then. Come on. That's one thing. That's my time with them. Like me feel like me that you normally Saturday because me just journal from like that from 9 o'clock to like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So my time. And then me send the rest of the day back this or me I know rest of the go and go do it.
Saturday time I take for myself. I don't look on a chart, I not even talking a year of the trade and I don't know.
Yeah.
We just no want nothing to do with trading. That day that my day figure do. Spend time with
Yeah.
my girl, do my laundry, clean my house. You know what I mean? Nothing to
Yeah,
do with
man.
trading. We don't want have nothing to do with it.
Alright.
Sunday when the market open, you see all of them, me tell all of them in the rival trader group, you see, Sunday when the market open, don't look for me no. Me not there no. I'm not there. Me
Yeah.
if me hold a trade for Friday. If me not hold a trade for
Alright.
Friday, don't look for me Sunday evening. Don't even look for me Monday morning. Understand me?
Oh, yeah.
Because when I realize in my experience, you see Sunday and Monday are two of the worst day that you trade in Ireland.
Yeah, man.
And you see,
That's
what
true,
go
man.
happen is this. If you start Sunday and you take L's Sunday, you take L's Monday, you're not going to continue for your side week, Why,
so, so,
why you don't want to mess up your psychology so early in a week? And you know, say Wednesday and Thursday, I firecracker day. You see me?
that's true, man.
So,
Wait, so it trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday
Wednesday,
morning.
Friday morning. Oh,
Yes, man. Yes, I'm tell you, remember say your trading is the ocean, man. You have to make your own rules,
yeah.
And
Yeah,
me
yeah.
realize say yo Sunday, Monday, me that take trade because I'm excited say week start and then me that lose it or break even or whatever and then my psychology get fucked up for start a week and then
Week.
week I got just
Yeah.
crash after that. You see me?
And I feel like that time to me, that is EJ trade that first trade, You see me? That I'm
Yeah,
gonna
that's
say
my
yo,
first
EJ, yeah, that is my first trade, and then I lose it, and I say, sun will start, right? Week start shaky, and
yeah.
another one. It's like a chase market. Yo,
Yeah, exactly. You start
exactly.
out minus and you have to try to recover plus heading a grade
Recover.
on Friday. Yo,
Yeah,
why you don't want to put yourself under so much pressure? No, bro.
true, man. Cause then some time market develop on Monday night going to Tuesday.
Yes, man.
Really sure. That time I observing on my whole experience. And I look, say when you text someone signal now, and somebody look for them and I say, yo, what me did really? They can't really lazy, man. And I say, yo, the man let me say take their signal.
You know what's funny? Me buy signals in the early days, but say me never buy signal them buy signals. Guess what I buy? Buy
Right, if
them
you
to
get it break
analyze,
down,
yeah, to analyze
yeah,
engine.
yeah, yeah, man, at that too. At that when you start.
That's why I started your average trader set up an analysis group, because
Yeah, yeah,
everything what me do, me try to do it based off of my experience as a trader coming up. And when I was taking signals, what I wanted was to understand why you enter this or why you exit that. So
that is, yeah,
So that's why I will set up some analysis group to explain everything from start to finish. You understand me?
yeah,
But some
yeah,
people they just want raw signals, and I don't want to be a signal provider. That's why I'm kind of low
yeah,
to set up
yeah,
an analysis group. I rather do one-on-one and try to explain why, when, and where me take my trade. You understand me?
yeah, man, the signals thing, it's make people lazy and then thing
It
there.
make people lazy. So this is way me think you can get the most value out of me. You understand me?
Yeah,
Because I really want to help. Understand me?
yeah, man.
Because when me did that come up, me did, like when me did that come up, me did just want to have somebody who could have, relate to my situation and just point me in the right direction. And mentor is very
Yeah,
important, but you have only for people that will say them a mentor and thing. And
yeah,
man,
man.
really get a mentorship. I'm not a mentor, but I just want to point people in the right direction.
Sure.
And
Oh, yeah, man. True, man. Mentorship thing there's so many times. But yeah, me see all some man catch all 20 people and post, oh, working done and blah blah blah. I mean, me see there's some signal group, but and the man all 1G tip stop plan. I think it's
no,
20 people say Yo.
Me did now one man signal group and me I said, Jano, the brother ya stop loss, man, entire stop loss, I want trade to me.
I want trade, you see me? So yeah, I'm saying, nah, brother. I feel say, nah, man.
Me have to say,
Yeah,
people
me
here
say,
can buy this.
see you, and that, me about Carter, man, and book man, I'm dig down YouTube and say, man, half the man, the man can't be so mean if you don't make not even one YouTube video if you say, oh, show people what man do. I say, man, look, I'm looking at me, so find it. And man, Philip watch that day and night, man.
You know, so
Yeah,
me that think
night.
what go do in-person course,
Yeah?
but then Corona come and say, nope, no course
Oh.
for you, boy.
Okay. Can I look like and man is you them psychology them man and psychology them turn up my youth. Me don't
Yes,
know how you man them do it.
I go meet him, dog. I go meet him. You see me?
Yeah man, them psychology. Turn up. I mean I say one day me that life you go do in person course. You have couple of the youth them we did it and me see man them follow him man. Me I say yo, them man yeah bad. But me realize enough I analysis them I same thing like when me have you
Yeah,
see him trade them, you see?
exactly.
And then when I say yo, a wide difference with the whole psychology and them thing there. That look like you man deal set aside a DF just for psychology.
Yeah,
Just
man.
for psychology, yo.
It when pan him course, you know, man. Him have his psychology right now when cuss you off, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, me used to listen to
That's
the Sunday evening time. Them they used to make me laugh, you know, man.
oh. Yeah man.
You see,
Okay.
me love trading, you know, because trading is like a journey, you know, dog. It's like not only you
Alright.
develop trading, but you develop personally, you see me?
Personal. Yeah.
And that's why I annoy me so much when I see people that sell or at the talk about the IML people that want to talk about message me ready.
Yo,
Yeah.
IML, yo, couple girl, me know man, them jump in the IML, brother, and they must say they need $200 to sign up. I said, Bridget, they need that. We say you can start for $10. They must say, oh, because our there a couple girl meet and they must say, oh, them in a trade it and guys me post. I say, oh, them join IML and the robot a teach them this and the robot a teach them that and the robot a say, oh, buy it. See? I say, all right, go on the robot.
You
I
go
don't
on.
have my, yeah. I have my skill, you know. You see me? I have my skill, you know. No
Go on
flashes,
the robot,
man.
but
Go on the robot, man.
man,
Wife.
at the end of the day, you know, if you can't trust yourself with your money, you know, why you got to trust somebody else?
Yeah, man. I want you know, I say, if it's an uptrend, and I say, once I touch the floor, I interact with the floor, you go buy.
Yep.
Uh,
Alright, so we'll go over something with your car.
yeah.
Cause you have them already, but I'll just review them real quick because I saw me talk about it in our group and things, so I don't want you to know. Alright,
Yeah.
so what you understand about market flow? What your definition of market flow?
Market flow governed by my 4 hour or my 4 hour I use. So if me now and maintained by the higher low or the lower high. Once me not see that violated, then me know say
But what is
if me not
market flow?
market for others, let's say movement time market one you know if you say yo.
Yeah, man.
Remember what
That
yeah,
is simply the overall direction of price
and
movement.
yeah.
Yeah, so you can have bullish market flow and bearish market flow.
Market
But
flow.
in your definition, what is bullish market flow?
Bullish market flow when market is creating new higher highs. Something and maintaining the floor which are
Yeah,
higher low.
exactly. So bullish
Yeah.
market flow is creating structure higher highs and higher
Right.
lows, and the
Yeah.
breaking of ceilings and respecting of floors.
Yes. Oh.
Right?
Yeah,
So
man. Yeah.
in a bracket now we have bullish market flow. In a bracket we have we buy floors. I
Buy
mean,
first.
and then bearish
Yeah.
market flow is the opposite of that, which is creating structure lower highs and lower
Right.
lows, breaking
Yeah.
of floors and respecting of ceilings, right?
Yes. Yeah, man.
So we buy floors in bullish market floors, sell ceilings in bearish market floor, right?
Yeah.
What is your definition of an area of price sensitivity?
That's how me see market touch. More if you touch, like when upon a 10 minute, me see touch it like 1 or 2 times, then me know say some form of order there you say in the market. So some level of interaction where market will make. Or
Yeah.
if you push, you make and then the push from it, then we know say some form of order there where cause if you react the way that that's zone there.
Alright. So here my definition of an area of price sensitivity. See?
Yeah.
An area of price sensitivity is an area where price will react in one of two manners, right? Price will either break or bounce from this area.
Oh,
Yeah? So
yeah man.
an area of price sensitivity can be a price floor or price ceiling because
Alien.
price can either break that floor or ceiling or it can bounce from that floor or ceiling. And by
Oh.
extension, supply and demand zones are the same thing, areas of price sensitivity.
Yeah.
And then interaction is basically the behavior of price in areas of price sensitivity.
Okay.
You will have like a floor, you will have an area of price sensitivity, which is a price floor, and you see price touch it 1 and 2 times, that's the interaction. So it's an interaction in an area of price sensitivity. Yeah, price
Oh,
behavior in an area of price sensitivity.
okay.
You
All
understand?
right. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, write them down or no?
Me done me go over it, man, and go back over see I record it, so me done me just go over it.
Alright.
I make me notes in here.
And then transition. What is the definition of transition to you?
Transition. Let's say break a higher low or a lower high on a lower time frame before it actually happen on a bigger time frame. So that'd be like a 15-minute transition before it happen on a 4 hour or so a 2 hour time frame.
Yeah,
Basically,
I understand that. It's all like define break of structure, you know how we.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
But really answer the transition is the change in overall market flow characterized by a break, retest, and a follow through, or if you want to call it a continuation. You understand me?
Yeah, break retest follow through. Yeah.
So it's really like switching from bearish market flow to bullish market flow. But
Okay.
how do you switch? You're gonna have if you switch from bearish to bullish market flow, you're gonna have one price ceiling that gets broken and then it's
Okay.
listed as a floor.
Yeah.
That is transition, and transition starts on the lower time frame. So it starts probably on the 5 minute, you will see a ceiling on the 5 minute get broken and retested.
Yeah.
And you will take it by this, and then if you continue go up on the 30 minutes, you will see a 30-minute price ceiling get broken and retested too. So transition starts on the lower time frame.
Okay.
Mm.
It be this a thing where a trader talk about when they enter a trade, you call it top down analysis and you have I think a down top. So you start when you enter a trade, you zoom in, you go on lower time frame, but then you go out. You increase back your time. So you type on a 5 minute and then you go to a 30 minute. And then this one this you really manage your trade and this and that. So
Mm.
when so that'll be a transition in this. Oh yeah, it makes sense, makes sense. So you see, me have knowledge, but better less man.
You
Yeah,
have
man. But
it's just to put it together into a
yeah,
system, you understand?
yeah, put in a system. Yeah,
Alright,
man.
watch out. Let me see if we can illustrate one of them.
Yeah, we can. If we can go over 1 or 2 inches still, I want to learn something to do like regarding inches. That there.
You realize me not even did that talk about none of that, fam. Cause
Yeah.
what I realize is that it's like you see what me see. It's just like
Oh.
you not take the damn trade them.
Yeah, they got that go on.
The damn trade them, which is fine, but as me I say now, with the
Yeah.
calculate the risk and just set the limit them, you're supposed to can't do that,
Yeah,
no?
man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, see my screen?
Yeah, me just start that it has a screen started change. Yeah, I see it now.
Read this. This is 8 hour, you know. I'm up on the daily.
Yeah,
Alright, so you see me identify them two supply and demand zone, alright?
oh, no. Yeah,
So I have up here, so I may have done as so my only business with anything what they in between here. So this is a 800 pip range. You understand me?
yeah,
Me not care about nothing above and I don't care about nothing below. So I start up on a higher time frame, right? I determine my highest and my lowest areas. Where price
yeah,
will go to or where price will come from. You understand me?
yeah,
So I drill down now 4 hour. And you can clearly see that we're in bullish market flow because we have floors being maintained and ceilings
yeah,
broken along the way. Right? So
yeah,
you can expect price to come up here so because this is a supply zone and some price is attracted to supply zones like magnet.
yeah, yeah,
Right? But we still in a bullish market flow and XYZ and thing, but we get to this area up here. So this is a trade I'm gonna take earlier this week, but me exit early.
oh,
So we come up here, so right? So me I expect price to go up here, so
yeah,
that's so. But with the most this week we have the highest impact USD news came out early this week, right?
yeah, man,
And me never see no kind of push to go up here, so me I say maybe we're not gonna make it up there, so. But I
oh,
realize that we have an era right here. An
yeah,
era of price sensitivity where price just can't seem to pass through.
yeah,
And you realize that even though price has pushed through it, it hasn't closed above this area.
yeah,
So we'll say that price has gotten to a ceiling that it can't break. So what we really need to look for now is transition out of this area of price
yeah,
sensitivity, whether it be a break or a bounce, but we clearly have evidence that it now break it.
nah,
So
break it, yeah,
we have to look for a transition from bullish market flow, understand me, to bearish market flow, right?
yeah. And say you use the 1 hour on them thing there for govern that day, or you see it,
The 1 hour and the 2 hour,
2 hour,
right?
all right,
So
yeah,
remember that on the 4 hour, we are in a bullish trend, right?
yeah, yeah,
So naturally, I'm going to assume that this bearish market flow leg is a retracement leg
uh,
until we can get a further move up. Understand?
yeah,
So this
yeah,
bearish
man,
leg, this bearish market flow leg for me is a retracement on the 4 hour time frame.
yeah,
You follow me?
true, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because remember, I said the 4 hour I said bearish, You understand? So we
Mm-hmm.
still at
So
X.
wait, which part you have 1.1 1.12545. That look a push right there, sir.
Right?
That the
Where?
blue yeah, which by market close right there, sir.
Oh yeah, right.
So you wouldn't consider that there should be one other push from that zone there.
But I consider that as like a floor being broken.
Oh yeah.
Because if it comes up on the 2 hour, it can probably come so. You're not gonna line up perfectly, but we can assume so right so probably some weeks so we can do half
Some
the
week.
distance and half the distance and yeah, so. Is it?
Oh. How you go when you have your weak interaction, you just adjust the zone. Yeah,
Yeah.
like that me do, So my time I have a week, if me have a zone and a week on touching it, then me know say yo something there in that zone there right there, so.
Right? But this is
Yeah.
like a pin bar, so you don't know if it's gonna reject your son and come back
Yes.
down. Yeah, so
Come back down. Oh.
or it's gonna just push through and just continue going up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So
So
you draw the zone on the 4 hour. or 2 hour.
For the 2 hour. My life is try for the 2 hour because you can get to see things like this easily for the 2 hour, right? Like,
Yeah, that me realize, you know.
the transition.
One.
Understand me?
One.
Yeah, man.
One.
You see them clearer. But anyways, what I was trying to get to is how you would take a retracement move in bearish market flow, right? Now, as we are discussing, say, yo, we realize say we in a bullish market flow, but price reach one area of price sensitivity where it can't break. So we are look to take a shorting opportunity from this price ceiling because what we do, we sell ceilings, but this is bearish market, bullish market flows. So we're really buying floors. But so this is like a counter trend trade, really and truly.
Yeah.
So this is the 1 hour, right? We identify this area here on the 1 hour. You realize, say, oh, we encompass everything also on the line chart.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, true,
in a real life, I be a weeks ago and what else. So I will tell you, yo, the line chart are really secret sauce now because it basically filter out majority of noise what we don't really want.
Right. Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna drop down on the lower time frame because we agree say yo transition starts on the lower time.
That in the car on the 1 hour. What on 1 hour miss something? May try this. On the 1 hour. Which part 1.13400. There's a little interaction there, so
1.1.
yeah, right. There's something right there, so is it? Yeah, I mean look that would be like one look. Like basically that would be one look box and chill, something right there, so.
Yeah.
Me that's it. Me that jaw.
Alright, that's all.
Which part the first arrow? The first arrow up top. That from there so compared come down to 1400, that'd be a little box and chill for me.
Okay. So like literally all of your stuff.
Yeah, me that cancel that kind of go do it. You see me that's range.
Ping pong, so you wait for your break above or
below. Yeah, that me that do. Right this one. Oh, are you see this? I let me afraid that one time, no, man. That is a knock me all over the place, no, man.
Because the most traded pair.
Yeah.
Alright, so drop down on the lower time frame now. We are looking for transition for the lower time frame. How transition occur? You have a break and a retest, right?
Yeah.
So we in a bullish market flow, right? That's a really. And we have price floors holding up price. So we have one price floor, right? That's all.
So okay.
Right?
Yeah.
You could drill down, you know, because more if you get it as clear as it's day, you know, because you know we're not ramp out here. So this is a price.
Yeah,
price, right? That's all. But that price floor got broken right there.
Broken. Oh.
Expect it now to come back and be price ceiling. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Alright.
You mean?
Yeah.
So we see the price I hold up. This last floor over here, so I hold up price right there. So, and then we have the break occurred right there.
Yeah, man.
And then we have the retest of this broken floor now, and it was respected twice.
Twice.
It was tested right here, and then it was tested again.
Yeah, second one, a bit of entry, yeah. Yeah,
so,
man.
Let me say transition start on a lower time frame, you know. So our guys, you see, that might tell you the entries come anytime.
Anytime, I true man. Anytime you come. Anytime you come. Anytime you come, man, I really think.
So now, would that come so? So we could have do, you know, have a price alert somewhere because if we make we know when price the what we want to see then, you know, and then we have observe on the chart. You understand?
Yeah.
Have a limit order right, so would I do a 1 to 20? Well, because it's against market flow, I probably do a probably that.
Yeah.
1 to 6, risking 15.
1 to 6. Yeah.
So
right. So put the stop. I just say stop above the last like jab before you jab right there. So that's I think some time that my problem is. Some time we try set the stop line to close.
Or which
Brother,
part?
like which part is the one up at the top right. It draw the stop above the last week. Alright, that make it stay right there, so.
Mama, my stop loss would have there 150 right there, so.
Right there, so. Oh.
139,
Oh yeah.
139.60 when I left.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me not draw it about. Yeah, I mean, you can still be conservative and say, you want
Yeah,
to
so many this.
higher 250.
When goes so far still that go above that little the last but yeah, so right there, so yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
if you did put in like a 1 to 420, then yeah, this would have been
Yeah.
80 pips instead of.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, this would have still be a year average trader trades,
Yeah.
20 pips, right?
Yeah. Yeah, man, yeah.
But that is how me would have looked for your entry or entry type opportunity.
So wait, you have a different stop loss system you use for GA. Come see a while ago. Like you still hard for GA, yeah.
Yeah, GA because the pip counting on GA different. So 20 pips would have been too short. So if we do that, right so 1 to 20. It's too short. That's a straight. So me that comes and do 1 to 4. I get a better trade also. You understand?
So that'd be okay.
No worry about that. This would have just be it would have looked better to me because 1 to 4 is a short trade. You understand me?
Short for GA.
A short,
so so pip count different, as I said.
Yeah, the pip count is different. So me that just probably look something like that.
Okay.
You understand?
Right.
So guess what now? Adjusting my stop loss like this, when we calculate the risk, or whatever, me not lose no more than what me supposed to lose same way, even though my stop loss bigger. Me just give the peer more room to breathe.
More room to breathe. Oh. That makes sense.
Yeah.
True, man. Me get to trade that fight where they must be 150 people, Of a same triangle pattern, I say.
Yeah.
Me get to trade them, man, and matter the GA. Yo, so me trade. Me tell them me trade Euro, AUD, and GA. I'll range market. Me kill them thing, man. So me know whatever, and that I tell you say, yo, I have a separate me find everything woman has, I'm going my brother, I'm lock up in one room, man. You can't tell you what. I say, yo, we don't come out of the room then, Regine. We don't go nowhere, sir. I'm come up with my strategy and work.
Bro.
Yeah, man.
You remember when we did show you earlier? You remember when we did show you earlier?
About the M?
About M and W, right? When we say about this and W.
Yeah. Yeah, remember that show me.
You can draw the trend line.
Yeah.
What you see right there?
One thing, yeah, man, I true that. So wait, so it wouldn't wait for once you see first interaction it's on the first floor farm.
Right, that's so. Like, of course. All right, you see this now? Once we see this interaction, I know so one price to the right, so me know where I come, so bam, set my buy limit, right, so 1 to 4. You see me? That would have been trade. You get me?
Yeah, me so yeah, say. I'm realize this a move opposite of GJ, Yo, me say me take a boy a fight.
Right.
Yeah, I say yo, look, you see it though.
Me see it, man.
It's opposite that. I say yo, what you view from? And yeah, alright. You see me tell you yo, when I say opposite, I say right. Me that boy GJ, I say nah man, you know should be true that cancel. So right so I'm standing. I say yo, say this move opposite side.
That's true, sometimes that's why I'm saying, you know, have to trade. You know, have to trade every pair. Just
every pair, yeah.
Set up pairs.
So are them the most trade where upon you watch this or what is it?
Yeah, it's a primary watch this. And the reason I set up like this is because gold and Euro USD kind of moving our way sometime, right? But
Yeah,
if
yeah,
the
yeah.
Paul and UJ, I complete opposite. So if one I go down, one I go up.
Okay.
So now I see it with USD CAD, right? If USD CAD I go up, CAD JPY I go down.
Yeah,
CAD
go
go down.
but revelation. Yo. Alright.
Me da have
That's nice.
the GBP pair them right there, so.
Yeah, yeah.
And then me have a Nasdaq for me I trade on the side.
Oh, that they move, he move quick and deadly.
So you make money off of this with ease. You can scalp this at the time and make a food, man.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Me used to try US 30 still now. What?
Nah, US
Yeah,
32 dangerous, man. That's why I come.
yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
this is it. I see him people company two of them or this one are different.
This one are different. What me realize is, like when this now,
Yeah.
trade tool if you use with my broker, well, Hugo's way, when you use one, the standard lot, basically
Yeah.
one people that equal $1. So, you know what I mean? This would align it out perfectly. So, like, with the take profit, so would that be $234 and stop loss would that be $50.
Okay. I said me use a turnkey me use, but
Oh, wow.
if I turnkey. Philip as a film broker come out. And I time when I trade it, boy. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright. See what so that one thing we didn't want to that's it. I'm glad say show is a setup here, you know. We
Mm,
offer trade the range in market.
yeah.
And alright, look on the level there about one where there? 1.1350. That level if I draw one line somewhere right there, so
See.
because me that say that would have be almost like one dub guy it broke your last push out tight. So me that draw one horizontal line and say yo bomb if you broke that there, that would have be like a breakout at the other form of the button. So like it broke your last support tonight and them thing there. So me that say yeah, go about right this stuff. Something right this stuff. Cross which part of the market push out tight.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, like that's so me see it. So me see market more. That one perfect pizza slice type of thing. The best. So yeah, that's how go on.
Look on this,
Okay.
look on this a secondary entry, right? Or something.
Yeah, that we see.
See,
Clean.
this are the week off sitting when me I study, the new sitting when me I study, or me
Week
slowly
off.
integrating into my type of trading.
You want me see week off. Me see week off thing. Me did it on internet and book up on it too. For last couple for my man, me see week off thing.
So
When I see it's like they must show a head and shoulder type of something with the week off. That I really like to understand, but boy,
but look on
yeah,
this,
so
look on this are nice in here. Well, yo, I, I would have called this some copper hango foolishness.
couple angle. Yep.
Copper good blood.
Yo, IML, 20 people when I eat that. Some girl I say, oh, you need to sign up and blah blah blah. I say, my girl, when since Forex come like a world ventures thing where you go and beg people to sign up.
Exactly, bro. That's what I hate about it, man. Like
Yeah, so
if we do something like that one time, we capitalize on the network marketing aspect. But
yeah.
you cannot associate my year average trader brand with something like that. That would have watered
No
up.
man, that water down man. People that start pray differently.
Exactly.
Oh nice. They must set up here, man.
Like,
Man, learn.
keep trader, is it?
Yeah.
Let me see what time this
Clean.
come. This NG come 8:13 in the morning yesterday.
Get it.
Nice.
Yo.
During New York session. Yeah. Yeah, during New York. I overlap with
Session.
at the end of London session and
Session and New York.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Session. That one. Which session that there? Oh, is it? Yeah, let's see.
This is the other field trading, but yeah.
Yeah, I can see. You can see that on. If you put on about them system. I same thing guys. I same thing I was up more
Up here,
Oh
so
no, yeah.
it's a London session. It's a alright, so London sell, right? It's a London session high and London
Sell.
sell. And when New
Yeah.
York open, it's an overlap between New York and
Yeah.
London. New York start buy back. You understand me? Buy back to where London sell from.
That's it.
But
Job.
as London a lock up, so you realize, say, yo, New York, this time, say, yo, we have to continue selling, you know. And
Yeah.
it's selling off into Asian session. As you can see, not a one bag of shit not in an Asian session.
Nothing. Yeah.
And then in the start of London session again, London
One.
the high.
Yeah. May I see that may I see trade them with that take. But yeah, I say I just say maybe at that time my problem, you know. If I take a loss in a week, I beginning I'm gonna jump in on Sunday. Maybe at that kind of just kill my whole
But so just
psychology going forward.
tell you what, alright, you see the whole psychology is built around confidence, you know. So
Yeah.
you see what, like this first trade and this second trade. You just need to risk like $5 or $10 because you're okay losing $10. So $10 for two trade at $20 that you'd lose, right?
Yeah.
But it's a 1 to 6 risk to reward. So you'd get $6 for the first one and $6 for the second one.
Second one.
But if your psychology can handle losing $20 on two trades, $10 per trade, then you're supposed to alright. You know what I mean? You build up the confidence over time, knowing that your system works.
Yeah.
Remember, say you just want the confidence in yourself, you know. So once you start, you see, once you take the trade, them because remember saying, you know, you're not gonna write every single time, you know.
Yeah, true. You're not right every single time. Yeah.
Every single time. But what you really need to do is the time when you're not right, you want your account to survive, and you want your little confidence where you get from the last win is still intact. Because let's say you have a $100 account, right? And we win a 1 to 6 trade, risking $10, right?
Yeah.
And we get $60, so $160 that, right?
Yeah.
If me lose a next trade risking $10, $150 me have in my account, right? Me lose a next trade risking $10, $140 that, right? But remember, so me start the account at $100. So me know say me still up $40. So in my confidence still intact, basically, right?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
So if me lose a third trade and me got $130, me know say yo, my winning trade is coming up. Understand me? So me there and me win a next trade for $60. Me there $190 now. You understand me?
Yeah.
But alright, run that the scenario there again, right? You start at $100, you win the first trade at $160, right?
Yeah.
But the second trade you risk $30, right? You lose that the trade there, you're there $130. You lose the second trade there $130. You lose $30 more, so you're there $100 now. So you're right back where you started.
Yeah.
So now your confidence shot because you have to bomb back, me just make $6, but me give it back. You see me?
Give back, yeah.
So now you're afraid to take a next trade because if you take a next trade, you're afraid you're going to lose now and you're going to go below $100. So you just
that I think right.
mind is just fucked now, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That I think. That's the thing, brother. Yo, and that you got me tell you, say, like when you reach back, I wish I start, they say, bomba, I really have some come back and start.
Exactly.
Is it? I obviously turn the minute as a grow account, if you make $50, make $100, make you $50. You see me? So me say go on. People say that don't make sense, no.
That you know, man. Sometimes you have to take away money if you know say it real, is it?
It really, yeah. Take it back and then they build up it back and that means to say, you know, so I pay myself about this a little bit still because
yeah, man.
$50 I can put on if you make what I cover. Yeah.
But
I say, yo, there, you have billion account.
Go back to risk management and your confidence. You see me I say?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, start with a $100 account and just risk only 5%. So you risk $5 per trade, you understand me? So you probably use a 0.01, 0.02, or 0.03. And you just build up the account from $100 to $200 using them the small lot size thing. And you tell me how you feel after that.
Oh, man.
Yes, by your confidence.
No, I take on that challenge.
Once you develop your confidence in your own ability, then the difference between you making money is just changing a lot size.
That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. Me have one, me have one little $20 account, one little thing me have. But me have one other main account, and I say, last time me go on phone and I see $20 account, and I say, no, say, so me that session today, me I go try build a $20 account, and I see how far me can carry or using small lots.
Because I remember say that I want to look at account where anybody didn't probably plan for you. So you're
Yeah,
emotionally attached to it. You know, say,
yeah,
you want to come from $7 to $219 one time. I mean, just look at them and say, yo, the fuck.
yeah.
Is it? Anything is really possible.
Anything possible, yeah.
You just have to have
And
it victim and just believe in yourself. You know what I mean?
yeah,
And
man.
look on your USD now. It might all for my head and shoulder right as well, you know. Inverse it
Oh,
and shoulder, you know.
that's true. So you wouldn't count this part of the red line there as a little, you can't, as a little floor where might form right. So I see it in the brokerage part red line there 1.12 something like that.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We would not really count that, you know, because I wear all the candle violated right as all.
Oh,
So me that kind of discredit it. So what me that really look for is the price to come back down to right or so, because remember saying, you know, what we are look for, you know, we say orders sitting are always sitting on that type of activity. You understand me?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
But in line chart now you will see say you have a small
Oh, I could not try this, sir.
a small a small base right or so. You understand me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So in that the base now, me that have something like this. But I have a very small trading somewhere, so. You know what I mean? If you want to cut it down to 10 pips, I can.
Yeah.
So this would be a small trade, you see me? So I could have probably risk more upon this because what I expect is price to come back here, so probably a week or whatever. I need to complete the inverse head and shoulder pattern for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
But we go just have to wait and see.
Is it like a notch thing? Explain it again. Is that like a little?
It's a
Oh, that's what.
it's a supply and demand base.
It's base. Oh.
So basically, you have orders just sitting in this area here.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah, that made no sense. We can understand it. That's what most of the shoulder pattern them forms, you know. With that like a natural they say, you know.
Naturally.
Is it? Remember, you met this. I wasn't spend on chart, you know, man.
That's
I
good.
realize certain pattern, you know. Yeah.
You know, that's why I don't really have one-on-one session with beginners, you know, or people who just start trading. You know,
Yeah.
because I want to have a certain understanding of market. Like how you have an understanding of market now.
Yeah.
And put everything together.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yo. So, no.
But gold never did work with me this week, Rasta. I catch the buy from me, so naturally.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah,
so
but I'm pushing and come back on retail side, so.
it's about 150 pips. So I catch that Thursday morning or whenever. But
Yeah.
me never did expect me never did expect this rejection. I did expect it to continue finally break this. So me never did look for no sales, is it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because basically if it create new floors and something, and I broke a seed in them. So if you push up past on. Yeah.
I know, so guess what we are gonna look for this a week, and this week we are gonna look for something like this.
Come back down, come to see blue area and
Yeah,
shoot up.
put the blue area and then do that.
I go down, yeah. Whichever one of them work.
Yeah,
That's a complete on head and shoulder like this, you know.
because
If you broke it.
you see what happened, market a move so you know.
Yeah.
The market start move so. See?
Yeah.
So I'm expecting the market to do that because as per we call, you know, so this is accumulation phase and you got to redistribution. So
I want kind of head and shoulder that right in this, you know. Which part? Which part the blue there, but the right shoulder just form higher than the If
Oh,
I,
oh, yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I see that.
yeah, I really think. Right, sure, fam. Cause me realize, but I will miss it. I think Kimo miss it one time. When he said the head and shoulder can farm anyway. You know, if it be now complete. Like you right, two should not fit on the same
Just
level.
like how we say with the same M and W
Yeah,
family.
A man double, yeah. I wish I mean I'm book one time they talk about and call it Whammy. Whammy then I book name
But
man. I'm not baby pip.
yo, it's called Naked Forest.
Yeah, Naked Forex. Yeah man, read that book there. I will see it tonight.
Yeah, one is double, one is
Double Whammy, yeah.
kangaroo tail. Hey,
Yeah, kangaroo your
I think
rejection
this
and
is what
everything.
this is what they would have called a kangaroo tail. That's a,
That one day, yeah.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah
man.
man.
You have the knowledge in the dog. You have the knowledge. Guess what? You just need a system. You don't need to develop a system around it. And we are developing. We
Yeah.
are finished with it right now. So yeah, what?
Yeah.
You know, in office session. Everybody who want me have a session with them have to have a trading plan. Even if them have a trading plan, they have to have a revised trading plan by the time we're done. So
Yeah,
remember
yeah.
the trading plan where I work with you.
Yeah, alright, me write it still, you know. Alright, me
Right.
write it
Yeah,
on one paper. Yeah, I could paper thing, but I don't know official thing, yeah, brother. You see me? We just see you get up 2 o'clock and go trade.
so you know have an official trading plan.
Eh, you know, official. You see me? So get up and trade and
Here
brush
we are
teeth
going to
and
do. We
bread,
are make
blah,
an
blah.
official trading plan right now. Because
Yeah, yeah.
my trading plan what we have right now, you know, it started out as a 3-page trading plan, you know, and then we chop it down, summarize it, chop it, make it
Yeah,
as concise as possible because I'm supposed to can look on it, the trading plan and then go on the charts and know what we need to do. Because it's all about decision making, you understand me? You want to make your decisions like a machine, you understand me? So you have to have as less variables as possible.
yeah, man.
So we are gonna start the trading plan. So share your screen and bring up your whatever you're gonna use, right?
Alright. Yes, yeah. Oh, yeah, you have to stop share your screen first, then we can share mine.
Oh, now.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what say? Me didn't want to do this session today. Today one of the earlier session them me are doing at 9 o'clock, you know. But guess what? We usually do them in the afternoon like 3, 5, 6 and then time.
Oh,
But I know say football I come back to the 3 o'clock here.
you know, man.
Yeah.
Uh,
Wait, boss I play, man. Boss I play.
I'm imagine that my team, man. Straight imagine my Philip say. See it.
Okay.
Imagine that my team, man.
How will them play?
I mean, I think today or tomorrow, I'm play. We need to check it. One of them.
Probably tomorrow.
Imagine. Yeah, good tomorrow. I think one team about them play. Actually, football season, when I said, when I'll FIFA me to play, I top play my game. And,
Yo, me miss football, so still I tell you, man. No.
yeah, man. Man.
Let's see now. Trading plan. What trading plan? Alright, so we are gonna start off with trading plan. And we are gonna say, we're gonna start off with the strategies that we're using, right?
Yeah.
So the first strategy that we're using, number one, where you can put strategies, yeah.
Yeah.
Another you will put number one, yeah. My price action trading. That's number one.
Yeah.
In a bracket where I put market flow. Second point is market structure and trend lines. Yeah.
Yeah.
The third one is support and resistance.
Yeah.
In brackets, we're gonna have floors and ceilings. And then the fourth point is going to be interaction and transition. Then in a bracket I got break, retest, and continuation. All right, I'll move down now to the next heading now. Like I said, before entering any trades, one must know. What's the first thing you must know before you enter any trade?
Train, man. Train.
Alright, so
Yeah.
we have got number one.
Yeah.
The direction of the market. God damn, we gotta know where we're going.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And you have a sub point under that.
Oh.
Alright, you're gonna ask the question: are we bullish, bearish, or ranging?
Yeah.
Question mark. And then second question going to be now: are we looking for buys or sells? Yeah.
Yeah.
The second point now, second subheading. So number two.
Yeah.
Is price creating structure?
Yeah.
And then in a bracket, you can have higher highs or higher lows and lower highs or lows. You have to write, you have to write that out. You cannot write HHS and HLS. Or you have to write it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the first sub point under that. Always enter buys or sells after interaction.
Yeah. That means if you tell me, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Second point would be try to enter on the retest. Try to enter in the retest. Try to enter on a retest.
Yeah.
And then the third point would be buy floor sell ceilings. Yeah. All right, the third subheading now.
Oh, it's a bit in. Wait, it'll be number 3?
Yeah, man, number three.
Yeah.
Is price at a supply or demand zone?
Yeah.
And then
Question.
yeah,
Question mark?
in a bracket I can put area of price sensitivity. What was it? It can be a floor or a ceiling as well. You can apply it to floors and ceilings on the lower time frame and supply and demand zones on the higher time frame. Right?
On lower or higher time frame?
It can be floor or ceilings on lower time frame. Yeah. And then the first point would have been
right, that's a fourth point?
No man, the sub point.
Sub point. Oh.
Would that be buy in demand zones?
Yeah.
If price breaks,
Yeah.
sell on the retest.
Yeah.
And then the second subheading subpoint would have been the opposite of that.
That's selling in supply.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah. Bye. Yeah. Right.
And then you would have the same thing for a lower time frame for floors and ceilings. You buy floors, if price breaks, you sell on the retest of that floor. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So number 4 now. Number 4 would be risk management.
Big topic.
Risk
No.
management.
Yeah.
And then risk management first subheading.
Yeah.
Calculate lot size. Yeah. Based on what you're willing to, based on the amount of money you're willing to lose. And what you're willing to lose, yeah. And the second subpoint would be always aim for 1 to 4, 1 to 6 risk to reward, risking 15 to 30 pips per trade. I realize you aim for 1 to 3, so that's fine.
Yeah. You jump in 1 to 3 yesterday. 1 to 2, 1
to 3.
1 to 3, 1 to 4.
Or 1 to 6.
Miss. Yeah, right. So many time depends on what market we if you do.
Exactly. Because
Yeah.
remember in a corona time, I could not get a trade to go over 50 pips to it.
Yeah.
So we just have to stick to 1 to 4, 1 to 3. 15 to 30 pips per trade. There you go. And then point C.
Yeah.
Well, this is for me. I don't know if it would apply to you. I take only 6 trades per week, risking 10% of my overall account. If me lose 10% of my account by Tuesday, me done enough.
Yeah.
Out. See you next.
Yeah.
See you
6
next.
trades per week. Risking 10%. So 10% would be overall.
Overall. So if my account have $5,000 in it,
Yeah.
10% of that. If me lose that in our first 1 to 6, in our first 3 trades a week, see you next.
Yeah. At that me need to tell myself say yo put a stamp on me lose it that's because me I lose, right? You know? Like that 3 strikes and I will 6 strikes and me out.
Yeah.
I market that give opportunity for endless try and touch it, but then I go if opportunity say I go jump on it like you know no sense and then that I go kill it, you see me?
Man, you have to give yourself some time to come back in a right frame of mind. You understand me?
Yeah.
Because if you lose more than 10% of my account, you know, I'm going to be chasing it. You know what I mean? I'm going to chase it back.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That basically I do what the week. I chase the market.
You know, I have to say 6 trades. Just I say 6 setups. My apologies. 6 setups.
6 setups. No, 6 trade work, man. It works for me, man. That tell that you know 6 trades, whatever. It works for me, man. Trust me. 6 trades. Just because that my head man say yo, it's not like me have a stop limit. If you say yo, you know say Nah, I that day. Enough, you know. So you have
Yeah,
to just
you have to
breeze
give,
off and
you have to give yourself some
yeah, man.
year away. Yeah, like every trade they take, you have a take profit and you have a stop loss. You have to know when a time to cut.
Yeah. And basically, you 1 to 6, so basically complete your risk reward. So,
Yes.
yo, yeah, yeah, true, man, true.
It happened to me, you know, there was 1 week when, me start Sunday, as we tell us, and me start Sunday. Me know, because, let me tell you what happened.
Yeah.
Everybody in a group and then they get excited Sunday evening. I mean, I say, all right, I'm going to chill with the dogs them and whatever. I go out there and me catch fire. Fire catch me. And by Tuesday, shell out more than 10% of my account. I say, yo, see you guys next week. You're not hear from me again till next week. Yeah?
Yeah.
Me see them in the
I
group
think,
of
man.
chat, same way and a mark up charts. Me not even send no idea. I was just not here.
Yeah, man.
You know, man, sometimes you have to make your rules and you have to be disciplined, you have to stick to them. Because at the end of the day, if you say you have fun, right? If you go back on the charts, you will see trading for 2000, 1990, whatever. You know,
Yeah.
trading not go nowhere.
Now I got nowhere, man. Yo. Now I got nowhere.
So if you disappear and go eat up off your face of earth, the whole world will go crash. You understand me?
I really think.
And guess what? Even
Uh,
when the world will crash, we can still sell.
yeah. All right.
So trading not go nowhere.
Now I got nowhere.
If you take a one and
That,
focus on teaching people on the keyboard and thing, you're not lose or you're not miss nothing.
yeah, man. Yeah, man. 'Cause that I think that one of my source of income to teaching people. And then me go all play elsewhere and make a food and you see me.
Yeah.
Cause me look upon them and say I just me feel just breeze myself more while. Breeze myself and say, you know what? You don't need to run down this like you know I said, yeah, about 10 J me take that with them and I lose about 8, you know. But I told I said, yo, it's a overkill.
Yeah, exactly.
Overkill.
Overkill. You have to know when to cut that shit short, man.
Yeah, man. No, man. I tell myself. Me see what trading do for man like Q, Carter, and all of them.
Yeah,
Man like
you too.
man like all pajama miss no for me know pajama a long time. I
Yeah.
used to go to church over Hermitage Johnson. So me know the man them me know a long time. I see where you do for them the man. They see me and I say, yo, then the man can make it.
That's one next thing to one more want to tell about it. You see, when you
Yeah.
come out to trading, you will compare yourself to people, right?
Yeah. That the next thing.
People say, yo, trading is a journey. You see, your journey might be different than the next man's journey.
One journey. Alright.
So you can't really compare yourself to that man. Remember one
True,
time,
man.
everybody built different, so everybody brain different.
Yeah.
We figure out this from the first time we did have a set up some analysis group, right? I send out a couple setup to them. I mean, I make a trigger or whatever, I see a man what did buy me signals. The man make about 15,000 off of my same setup, you understand me?
But yeah.
May I say really and truly, when it comes on to trading, is really just up to the person. You know what I mean?
Up to the person, yeah.
So every man thing is different. So you see,
Yeah.
when you come out to them shit, you really have to just not really care and stop compare yourself to people. I did have to take up
And then,
myself on
yeah.
social media, Instagram one time, because that really did fuck with me.
Yo, brother, I'm not lie. So I tell you today, I take a trade. And you're going to go on Instagram and see nobody's taking trade and sitting down and I say, yo, I read it then, and you know, your trade and you see another man a sell and you buy. And I say, no man, this man I trade long time before me,
Yeah,
He more for right.
like this up.
Yeah. And if you go myself, I really think, man, I say, yo, me know. I'm there and I say, yo, really? But one thing me look funny, I'm say, if I'm on journey, I'm just use it to motivate me. I say, all right, you know what? Me not give up on this when me start out long time. Is when me learn from me hear man them talk. And the man them say, some man say, yo, them used to lose enough and wait, you take them to be disciplined. And you can maybe try to implement that in a year, like, but I can't always say, man say, no come play a journey to another man's journey. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I
Yo,
really, man.
he get to the point where he was so emotionally broken, like just to put on a 0.01 lot, him say, yo, him would have dead, him brain would have mash up.
Yeah, man. Man, them levels, them man, trust me, brother. You know, yo, look pan and say, brother, come far, and I just look pan and I see say some of them man they trade. Man, them I want to save them. I'm just me. If you just say, you know what, believe in yourself. When that time for trade, put on your phone. I me delete me that trade off of me off of me so me normal phone and I get to another phone and I say, yo, you go to a phone and I'm just say, yo, this a phone I be trading. When me I trade, me don't need no other phone. You see me? That me tell myself. Me tell myself, say, yo, me need to lock away certain things
Yeah, man,
when me there on the chat.
you have to build your own rules, man.
Me go on rules, man. And my uncle tell me, say, yo, I even introduce Phil to stock market and anything. When I'm because I'm a mentor. My man tell me, say, yo, we have one film bridge and film bridge say, $5 I go find a market, $5 I go for. And you know business with market to and do after that.
Exactly.
You see?
Yo.
Yeah. And I tell you, them man there are some stock market man in New York and blah blah. Man, they make them money on tight. You see
Yeah.
me?
You see, why? You see a lot of people that I had sessions with.
Yeah.
I realize with them, you know. All of them know how to enter the market and which part we put in
Yeah.
stop loss. You understand me?
Yeah.
But nobody know when to left. Nobody
Alright.
know when to take the losses and are they winnings and cut. So
Cut.
some man we are hold on
Yeah,
for a
man.
win and the win eventually turn out into break even or a loss.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah, man. Them thing there. So, you know, he mentioned, well, many people, when watch for give you the 2 book or something. Trading in the zone, I want of them. When me say me, I go
A
done.
paradigm shift.
Paradigm shift. Alright. I
Man.
buy are they book there for that? I have to buy that one day.
Um, I buy the paradigm shift,
Buy.
but
Yeah.
me have the other book for trading in the zone.
Paradigm shift. Me think I always see the come follow some man them some I caught a long time so that them and them have book and blah 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 with them talk about. And my boy them but when me look on when him Tor that Tor that last name Edgar man and
Oh, Edgar
more
Torres.
them man yeah them brother that we so much time share the nuggets and the and them thing there and
Yeah,
something and
I'm
really
a Q student them there, you know, long time
yeah
student.
man long time since yeah. Remember one time, the same way when I think Carter they mention him and say, oh, the man they can trade it on one line on the chart and look on the chart and can tell you whatever. And listen there. But I realize say, oh, a man spot pattern in everything. Everything, a man, what I see him post a little thing when he can say, oh, he read music, he read keyboard music, he spot the pattern. You see me? But I just, oh, you train, yeah. That me tell myself, say, oh, I have to train my brain for see certain things.
Yeah,
Is it? That's the one thing, and you see, say, oh, that really make a difference. Cause the more I draw out my pattern, them, the
yeah,
more I learn my setups, I better for me. You know?
yeah, man. What you see that our next thing to you know, it's important to train your eyes to see one thing, cause and next thing when me teach one my client them too, you know, me say yo, you see when I was teaching about market floor floors and ceilings, if you not gonna apply the strategy, apply the strategy. You see me? Me don't want you to
Yeah,
apply this week and next week you gone back and do whatever else and flip flop because you're just stuck in a one cycle and you're not gonna fully self-actualize with that the strategy there. You see me? Once you
yeah.
train your eyes to see floors and ceilings, you can't go back to anything else, you know.
I really think, man, I can't go back to it, man. It makes sense. And it's a systematic thing you have to come up with a one, with
Yeah,
a plan. Cause
exactly.
man, it's come like a game, you know, man. You just the same thing I do over and over, you know.
You see, this assisting
And,
what we have. Yes, me learn from QR. Yes, me learn from Carter. But my system
yeah,
is like a hybrid system between all of that.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I really think, man.
And it's a nice
Yeah.
picture from USD chef. Oh, Lord, Lord, Lord.
USD CHF?
Yeah.
I look funny. Guys, sometimes move choppy sometimes. I never too
Yeah,
like me. I say, yo,
that's why I never did that trading, but I know. Me, I look on the chart and me, I say, wow.
oh. So, yeah, man, me see, we glad say you do the difference with the double bottom and the double top thing. Me can realize. That's some of the time you are dry level and so look on touch our fight. You can't gonna have to come exactly come close our fight zone.
You know what?
Yeah.
Me, I look at one strategy of a trade with just a line chart alone. But
Eh?
me not reach nowhere in that yet, so still I go out with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, let me tell you what me I use that with. My stock trading account that me I use a line chart with mostly.
Oh. Local I try look my local if you local market set up them thing better. But better I'm look at that myself. I really on platform is somebody look at and trade, but I mean sense to me. Jamaica Stock Exchange market some of the time.
Oh
You
no.
see the chart? Yeah.
I think Jamaica really run our fundamentals more, you know?
I really think, you know. I really think man, like a man here say a new stock come out and you run
Yeah,
go buy
more
it and
technicals.
yeah.
Yeah, oh the last point in your trading plan, you know, number 5 is always check for news releases. So forget about that.
Yeah man, me always do that man.
That is
I
the
always do that.
thing, man. You know want to come on market and I take trades and know say yo you have heavy news that come out soon.
News release. Yeah, and you think that wicked sometime, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
Wicked, man. I'll me see a man like Fed chair talk and say, you know, say there was some serious thing
Yeah,
going on there. So
anytime the man they come and know start some serious shit.
same thing just move up my stop to break even. I said, I will just so it would the entire trade if you see it like a news.
I don't like trade news, you know, but if we in a one trade for already, we just set
Yeah,
it break even and just ride it out. Because normally, technicals would have just, I mean, fundamentals would have add volatility to to technicals. So,
technicals, yeah. True that man.
mm. So you have any more questions or anything that was unclear or anything that you want
Christian.
to run through?
Yeah. I'm try to see if I know more. Okay. Yeah, you right. Tell me the right. Yeah, do all of them still. You know. So like oh you become like a consistent trader and like at that time I think consistency. Is it like that the
Everything what
just
we talk about today and a trading plan. Remember, say, yo, what we are
yeah.
doing, develop a mechanical system with moving
Sys-
parts. You understand me?
Yeah.
So, as me say, you have the knowledge already. You know how to
Yeah.
apply the knowledge via floors and ceilings.
Yes.
You
Yeah.
determine your risk, set your trades, and just
Let
let
you.
price do the work for you.
Yeah man.
Important part is the risk management, though. Don't be out here risking $50 for a trade on your account at $200. You understand?
Yeah. I really think.
You can build a small account risking $10, $8, $5.
Uh, yeah.
Right? Yeah, man.
Yeah man.
Stick to the plan. Plan the
Took to
trade,
it.
trade the plans. You know?
Yeah man. Alright. I don't think, but you kind of spend certain things, which are spend certain things. You see,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man. Alright, mad.
So you're in, I think already, so you know, expect if you start for some more charts, and start
Yeah,
participating.
man. Yeah. That's the one thing that one day, like, I'm gonna say, oh, John, I'm afraid if you post an idea, because if you go wrong, I'm gonna say, brother, you can. And then the good thing that's one time, your confidence. And then you realize, we take it trade, the one,
If you just own it, you know, own it. Like this a trade, the trade what the UK trade what I take one day, I'm set to limit them. When wake
Yeah.
up, me minus 40 pips. Me did already accept the fact that I could lose 40 pips.
Yeah.
Fine, you own it. You know what I'm
I
saying?
own it.
Look where you go
Yeah,
wrong
man.
and you adjust from there.
Yeah.
Me not go look for you and say, yeah, oh, XYZ, you can't trade. You see me? No, me
Yeah.
not go do that. We are going to try and figure out what happened.
What?
Or
Yeah.
you trading against market flow, or you too early to the trade. You know what I mean? We are going to figure out what happened because every situation is different.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That's true.
Yeah, so on your charts, them clean and your markup them good, dog. So I expect your fit. You and Marcus, you know, trade the same way, so you and Marcus can link up to, you understand me?
Eh?
Yes, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright,
Alright. Yeah, man. Respect.
no problem. So when this done convert and thing, me I go
Convert.
put it
Yeah.
at the end, me I go send you the link feed.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright,
Yeah,
bro.
man. Alright. Yeah, man. Thanks. Yeah.
No problem.
Alright. Yeah, man. Cool.